Hi all, welcome to goclasses. This is orientation session for GateCS 2027. So this is for goclasses GateCS complete course enrolled students. In this session, in this orientation session, I will tell you all about GateCS 2027 preparation. How to prepare, how to make use of goclasses course, how to attempt weekly quizzes, how to analyze, how to solve gate PYQs, how to watch lectures, basically everything. The complete roadmap till the GATE CS 2027 exam, the complete roadmap I will tell you. I will also tell you what about after the GATE 2027 exam. Okay, so after that also what you need to do, that also I will tell you. So this is going to be a complete roadmap discussion. Everything we are going to discuss. Okay, so let's start. First of all, welcome to Go Classes. I am very excited because we are starting our GATE 2027 journey. So, are you excited? Let me know. So, welcome to Go Classes, everyone. And first of all, thank you all. I want to thank all of you for trusting Go Classes for your GATE Computer Science preparation. To motivate you, let me share Go Classes GATE CS complete course results. I am going to discuss our previous year results of our complete course students. Okay, our GateCS complete course students, their results let me discuss to motivate you. Okay, because next year you can also be one of the toppers. So let me tell you, in GATE 2025, in GATE 2024, from our GateCS complete course, what was the result, how many students they got top 100 rank, how many students got top 500 rank. Okay, so that will motivate you because next year it is your turn. Okay, if you put your efforts for 1 year or for few months, depending on when you start your preparation, so you just put your best efforts, give your best every day, and you will become a topper. Okay, with your hard work, and also with our content quality also, but mainly with your hard work. That is the most important. Okay, you have to stay consistent. Okay, I will tell you that GATE exam preparation, basically it's a very systematic preparation, it's a very nice exam. Okay, I will tell you more about it, but just stay consistent till the GATE exam. Just keep giving your best every day. On different days your best can be different. On some day you can study for 4 hours, on some day you can study for 10 hours, on some day maybe you are sick or maybe you are busy and you do not study, but on some day maybe you can study for 12 hours. So on different days your best can be different, but overall on every single day you give your best. Okay, till the GATE exam you keep doing this, and next year in these toppers, in Go classes, GATE toppers from complete course, so in that topper list your name also will be there. Okay, so just to motivate you, let me quickly tell you our Go classes GATE CS results of our of previous years from our complete course, from GATE CS complete course. So you can see in GATE CS 2025, from our complete course, all of these, they are Go classes GATE CS complete course students. You can see in top 100 there were 16 plus complete course students of Go classes. This is GATE CS 2025 results. You can see in top 500 there were 62 plus complete course students from Go classes. I am not including the test series students. If I include Go classes test series students, Go classes complete course students, then this number will become very high, very huge. Okay, but here I am sharing with you our complete course students results. So you can see in GATE CS 2025, in top 100 16 plus, in top 500 62 plus of our complete course students were there. Okay, so next year now it is your turn. Okay, they have done it, now you also have to do it. Okay, so you can see, let me tell you that in GATE DA also In GateCS also, from goclasses All India Rank 1 has come from goclasses complete course. You can see Gate DA 2025 All India Rank 1 Nikhil, he was goclasses Gate DA complete course student. In Gate CS 2024 All India Rank 1 Piyush Kumar, he was goclasses Gate CS complete course student. You can see in Gate DA 2025, in top 25, in top 25 ranks, 7 students were from goclasses Gate DA course. You can see our Gate DA course students. I'm not including the test series students, okay, but you can see from our Gate DA course, 7 students were there in the top 25 ranks in Gate DA 2025. You can see in Gate DA 2025, in top 100, there were 16 plus course students, and in Gate CS 2025, in top 100, there were 16 plus course students. Okay, so maybe you know at least one of them, right? These are Gate CS 2025 toppers, and they were goclasses Gate CS complete course students. Any one of you know any one of them? Maybe you know Hemant, All India Rank 7, Om Hari. Okay, there are many other toppers you can see here. Aditya Manoj is here. Okay, so maybe you know. Anyone knows? Okay, so you have seen their interviews. Okay, or maybe you have contacted them on LinkedIn somewhere. Some students are saying Viraj and Omi. Yes, Omi is in IIT Bombay. Viraj is also in IIT Bombay. Okay, Om Hari, All India Rank 9. He has joined NHAI. First, he joined IIT Bombay, then he has joined NHAI. Yes, All India Rank 35 correct in first attempt. Yes, All India Rank 35 correct in the first attempt. Yes, Siddharth. Yes, All India Rank 32. Siddharth. His interview also is available on the goclasses YouTube channel. Okay, so overall, I am just saying that in this list, next year your face also should be there. Next year you should also get a message from goclasses that please share your photo to us so that we can put it on the poster. Okay, so it should happen. Will it happen? Let me know. We will put our best effort throughout the preparation. Okay, throughout the year, goclasses will put its best effort. Are you ready? One thing I want to tell you right now, see, the world out there, that is beautiful. Okay, and you know, when parents tell you that do hard work right now and life में फिर मजे ही मजे. Okay, your life will become enjoyful. Okay, so then there are memes, okay, that you know parents are saying, everyone is saying कि अब पढ़ लो बाद में मजे मजे, लेकिन ऐसा तो नहीं है. Okay, this type of memes also you see. Honestly speaking, you talk to any of these toppers. Okay, any gate topper, any gate CS, any gate CS topper, you talk to them, and if they are studying in top colleges like IIT, IISc Bangalore, IIIT Hyderabad, CMI, BITS, TIFR, ISI Kolkata, okay, in any top college, if they are studying, you talk to them. They will tell you that GATE exam was worth it. Okay, because from these top colleges, you will get top placement. Of course, in the MTech also you have to do work. Okay, it's not like that. Okay, if you get a top rank in the GATE exam, then after MTech you will get a top placement. In MTech also you have to work. Okay, but the point is that all these toppers, they will tell you that GATE exam was worth it. Okay, I'm one of the example. Let me tell you, in my BTech, I had 14 backlogs. Maybe you know this. Okay, I have shared this on the social media also multiple times. Okay, I completed my BTech in 2017. I started in 2012. 5 years of BTech. I completed my BTech in 5 years because I had backlogs. To cover the backlogs, my BTech, it got extended, you know, for total five years. So I completed my BTech in 5 years. Okay, I did not have any placement because I had backlogs, so I was not allowed to sit for placements in my college, in my campus. Okay, then I started preparation of GATE exam. One of my friend told me that you should prepare for the GATE exam, and now that you did not study in BTech, now in 1 year you have to study, you have to work hard. Okay, there is no other choice. Okay, so this is what my friend told me. He basically he was he was very, I can say, kind of a parent figure for me. Okay, he was my friend, but he was basically kind of a parent figure. He is no more in this world. Okay, so he passed away, but he told me everything, that okay, that you should focus on the gate exam. He told me everything about the gate exam, and then I did my work. Okay, I put a lot of efforts, and I can tell you one thing: all the colleagues with whom I was studying, like, okay, we had a group of 7 or 8 people. Let me tell you, in those 7 or 8 people, my efforts were the maximum. Okay, I did the most amount of, I can say, hard work, and the result was also similar. Okay, I got a top rank. I went into IISc Bangalore. Okay, and then life has completely changed. After BTech, with BTech, I was not allowed, to sit for placements. Okay, then one day I am studying in IISc Bangalore, Indian Institute of Science Bangalore. Okay, so the life completely changes. This is what I'm saying. Okay, so I got all India rank 67 in GATE 2018. With all India rank 67, I went to IISc Bangalore. Then after 2 years, with my MTech, I attempted GATE 2020 and I got all India rank 53. Okay, so overall, with my experience of gate exam, I have cracked gate exam on multiple times. Okay, so with my experience of gate exam, gate CS exam, I am going to guide you throughout your preparation. Okay, so in this list, as I told you, in this list next year, your photo also should be there in this list. Okay, in the toppers list. So do your hard work. Okay, because I am telling you that the world out there, that is beautiful. If 1 year of hard work can achieve wonderful things, then I think it's a win-win situation, right? Okay, but in this 1 year also, if you do not put your hard work, if you become lazy, if you send a message that, sir, I was not consistent, sir, I could have done better, if this type of messages, if you send by the end of this year, then there is no benefit. Okay, I hope you are getting my point. See, maybe you did hard work in the past, maybe you did hard work in the BTech. Okay, at some point, maybe you did hard work, or maybe at the right time you did not do the hard work. Then the next right time, that is right now. Okay, this right now, this year 2026, this should be your year. This should be the year of hard work for you. Okay, I can tell you that for me it was 2017. I was preparing for 2018, and I can tell you that 2017 was the year, that was the, I can say, year of hard work for me. I put my best efforts. I did not have any regret. Okay, means when I was attempting the GATE 2018 exam, at that time, I told myself that I have given my best. I cannot do better than this. Okay, this was the best I could do, and I have done it. Now let me attempt the GATE 2018 exam and let me see what result I will get. And I got all India rank 67. So this is what I'm saying, that this 2026 should be your year of hard work. Okay, like 2017 for me, 2026 should be for you. Okay, so see, this motivation right now, you may be thinking, I am motivated. Okay, I will do it. Okay, but you also know that as the time will pass, many students, they will, lose the motivation, they will lose the consistency. Okay, this will happen, but I just want to make sure that it does not happen with you. So don't be motivated just for 4 or 5 days. Please don't do that. Okay, stay motivated for 1 year, because the world out there, that is beautiful. Okay, life, that is beautiful. Okay, so if you put 1 year of hard work, and if your life becomes wonderful, if your career becomes wonderful, then it's a good situation to be in. Okay, so just consider this thing, that just 1 year of hard work, and you will turn around your life. Okay, the complete turnaround you will see in your life. So let me also tell you that for GATE 2026 computer science aspirants, we conducted all India mock test, and in these all India mock test, you can see more than 5,000 live participants were there who attempted Go classes all India mock test for GATE CS 2026 live. You can see. So you can see in one of the mock test, in one of the all India mock test, you can see in our all India mock test 5, AIMT 5 for GATE CS 2026, you can see 5,500 live participants were there. This was the number of live participants in our all India mock test for GATE CS 2026. Okay, so again, I want to thank all of you for your trust in goclasses. Okay, just to motivate you, let me tell you that in GATE 2024 computer science, all India rank 1 Piyush Kumar, he was goclasses complete course student. And in GATE DA 2025, all India rank 1 Nikhil, he was goclasses GATE DA complete course student. Okay, so next year you should be here. And one more thing, if you want to get all India rank 1, if you want to get top 100 rank, if you want to get top 500 rank, then your effort also should be according to that. It cannot happen that you want all India rank 1, but your efforts are like, are like all India rank 10,000. It should not happen. Okay. So if you want a top rank, then behave like a topper. If you want to become a topper, behave like a topper. And toppers are consistent. If you talk to any topper, they will tell you they were consistent. They can start. Many toppers, they start in February. Many toppers start in July. Many toppers you will see they start in even August also. Okay, so you can see toppers, they can start at any time. Okay, they can start at February, July, August, September. They can start at any particular point of time. But once they start, then they are consistent. Okay, so if you are starting early, it's a very good thing. Stay consistent. Don't take time for granted. Okay, this year, don't take time for granted. Don't think that, okay, that some students, they will start in July. Okay, some of them also will become topper. So I have a lot of time. Okay, so again, I'm telling you, don't take time for granted. If you are starting right now, stay consistent and utilize the time. If you start in July, then also stay consistent and utilize the time. If you start in October, then also you stay consistent and utilize the time. Okay, I have seen in Go classes also there was, yes, Kusagar Srivastav in the chat also. Some students are saying Kusagar Srivastav, he started in August. You can watch his interview on the YouTube. You can put Kusagar Srivastav Go classes. Okay, that interview you watch. He started in August and he got all India rank, I think 151. You can check it. I think 175. Okay, he got all India rank 175. You can watch his interview on the Go classes YouTube channel. Okay, that will motivate you. The important point is that the moment you decide that you want to prepare for GATE exam, from that moment onwards you stay consistent. That is the most important thing. Okay, toppers are consistent. If you want to become a topper, please behave like a topper. Okay, you are dreaming for the all India rank 1 and your efforts are like, just to qualify. Okay, you are doing rote learning. Okay, so your efforts, and maybe you are not consistent. Okay, so these things, they are not the topper's behavior. Okay, so again, to become a topper, behave like a topper. So this year should be your year of hard work. Okay, so you can see all India rank 1 in GATE CS 2024. You can see Piyush Kumar, and this was his post on the LinkedIn. You can see in this post also, you can see, I owe a huge debt of gratitude to Sachin, Mittal sir, Deepak, Poonia sir, founders of Go classes. Their expertise, mentorship, and unique teaching methodology not only enlightened me and also inspired me every step of the way. The depth of knowledge these remarkable educators bring in the classroom is unparalleled. So Piyush got all India rank 1 in GATE CS 2024. He was Go classes GATE CS complete course student. Okay, and all India rank 7 in GATE CS 2025. Hemant, he was also Go classes GATE CS complete course student. You can see I joined Go classes. You can see I joined Go classes, all India rank 7 GATE CS 2025. Okay, also let me tell you Go classes GATE CS 2024 results. Okay, in GATE CS 2024, 20 plus course enrolled students were in top 100. Okay, you can see from our Go classes GATE CS complete course, in top 100 there were 20 plus students. All India rank 1 Piyush Kumar, he was Go classes complete course student. All India rank 2 Priyanshu Sharma, he was Go classes test series and free courses student. All India rank 8 Utkarsh Sharma, he was Go classes test series student. And you can see in top 500 there were 75 plus course enrolled students from our Go classes GATE CS course. You can see in top 500 there were 75 plus. So this was Go classes GATE CS 2024 result. Okay, so you can see consistently from Go classes complete course, students are getting top ranks. Okay, you can see such wonderful results we are getting, and next year I want to see your name in this list. Okay, when I present, Go classes GATE CS 2027 result, then your name also should be there. You can see this feedback from All India Rank 8 Utkar Sharma. He got All India Rank 8 in GATE CS 2024. Also, he got All India Rank 17 in GATE DA 2024. Okay, so in GATE 2024, in CS and DA, he got, All India Rank 8, All India Rank 17. And this is the feedback, this is the testimonial he has written on the GateOverflow website. You can see he has written that for test series I fully recommend Go classes test series since their questions were very good and from the standard resources. You can see some questions I recognized from the assignments of top university and courses, which will help you in building the concept as well as applying all those concepts. You can see I loved the All India mock test AIMTs since a lot of aspirants are giving exam at the same time, so it feels like the real GATE exam. I told you in Go classes All India mock test for GATE CS aspirants, for GATE CS 2026 aspirants, you can see we conducted All India mock test and more than 5,000 live participants were there. You can see I personally don't think there is need of multiple test series as I couldn't even attempt all the Go classes test series test until the end. Okay, so you can see this was his feedback. Utkar Sharma, All India Rank 8 in GATE CS 2024, All India Rank 17 in GATE DA 2024. Okay, so overall this was just to motivate you. So again, thank you for joining Go classes. Thank you for trusting Go classes for your GATE CS preparation. We are going to put our best effort and we are expecting the same from you. Okay, so you can see for your best GATE CS preparation, we are going to put our best effort. Now, this is the question that will you put your best effort? Okay, right now you might be feeling motivated, but please keep this motivation till the end. Okay, and I think that necessity beats the motivation. Okay, for me it was a necessity when I when I was preparing for the GATE exam, then I did not have any placement. Okay, so I needed, there was a necessity that I need to turn around my life. Okay, this type of situation was there. You can imagine the situation in which I was there. Okay, after the BTech, I'm having backlogs. I need to clear the backlogs. I'm not having placement. Okay, I'm having 5 years of BTech. Okay, I was in a, I can say, very tough situation. But one thing that because of this necessity, I put a lot of hard work. Okay, I think there was not a single day when I did not give my best. Okay, maybe for few days I got dengue at that time during my GATE preparation. So I got dengue, and I think for 5 days I could not study. That's fine. Okay, that's perfectly fine. It is not, I can say, break of consistency. Okay, because of course if you are sick, okay, then it's perfectly fine that you take care of your health. But the point is, on any day, if I can do, let's assume 8 hours of study, then it did not happen that I am doing only 4 hours of study. I hope you understood the difference. Okay, maybe there are some days where I can study only for 4 hours. That is my best for that day. I did it. Okay, on some days I studied for 10 hours, 12 hours. Overall, on any particular day, on any individual day, I was giving my best. Okay, and this was out of necessity. So again, I'm telling you that necessity beats the motivation. Okay, so maybe you have necessity, then stay consistent, give your best. Okay, maybe you are thinking that you don't have necessity, then also let me tell you that GATE exam has the power to turn around your life. You can talk to any GATE topper who are doing MTech, who are there in the top colleges, in the top institutes, maybe in PSU, in the government jobs. They will tell you that this is a worth it exam. Okay, GATE exam is like a gateway for the opportunities. By any chance, if your GATE exam goes bad, okay, let's assume you study for 1 year, okay, and now you have good knowledge, and by any chance on the GATE day, those 3 hours, let's assume they go bad. Okay, and let's assume you don't get your desired rank, then what is the backup? Can anyone tell me what is the backup? You might be thinking, what is the backup? If I put my efforts, if I study for 1 year, and then if my gate exam goes bad, then what is the backup? Let me tell you, your knowledge is the backup. Because with your knowledge, okay, you prepared for the gate cs exam, now you have the knowledge. Now with that knowledge, you can crack many other exams. I will provide you the complete list. Okay, you can crack bark exam, isro exam, NIELIT exam, you can crack pgw for IIIT Hyderabad, you can crack bits, tifr, cmi, isi Kolkata. There are many more. Okay, so you can see your knowledge is the backup. So even if after the gate cs preparation, after the hard work, by any chance if your gate exam does not go good, then also your knowledge will help you, get into a top institute. That is the whole point, that your knowledge is the backup. Okay, so this gate exam, it is a gateway for the opportunities. Okay, now let me start the orientation session. So far it was just motivation. Now let me start the orientation session. Let me share with you all the details about Go classes Gate CS course, how to utilize our Go classes Gate CS course, how to follow it. Okay, everything let me tell you just quickly. So first let me tell you who will be teaching you the faculty introduction, because that is very important. If someone is teaching you, if you are taking mentorship from a, see, if you are taking mentorship for the gate cs exam, then it should happen that you are taking mentorship from someone who has cracked gate cs exam, who has got top rank in the gate cs exam himself or herself. Okay, so let me share with you who will be teaching you the faculty introduction. So this is me, Deepak Poonia. I am co-founder and instructor faculty at Go classes. I will be teaching you almost half of the subjects of GATE CSE. Okay, I have completed my MTech from IISc Bangalore, Indian Institute of Science Bangalore, and you can see in GATE CS exam multiple times I have got good ranks. You can see all India rank 53, all India rank 67, all India rank 107, 206, 256, etc. Okay, so with my experience of the GATE CS exam, I am going to guide you throughout your preparation. Okay, so I am very excited that we will be in this journey, for many months. So very excited to start our journey. Okay, we will have a lot of discussion. Also, let me tell you, Sachin Mittal sir, he is also faculty and co-founder at Go classes. He will be teaching you almost half of the subjects of GATE CS. Okay, so Sachin sir, he was actually my senior in IISc Bangalore. So I was in IISc Bangalore from 2018 to 2020, and Sachin was in IISc Bangalore from 2017 to 2019. So basically, he was 1 year senior than me in IISc Bangalore. Okay, so Sachin also completed MTech from IISc Bangalore, and he got all India rank 33 in GATE CS, in GATE CS 2017. Okay, and also Sachin sir has worked as applied scientist in Amazon for more than 1 year. So you can see he has very good experience of the industry. Also, you can see in Amazon as applied scientist he has worked, that too also for more than 1 year. Now let me tell you what are the major changes and updates in Go classes GATE CS complete course. So see, if you ask anyone for the feedback for the review of Go classes GATE CS complete course, then they will recommend you Go classes. They will tell you that yes, course has quality, in-depth content, a lot of practice, a lot of weekly quizzes, gate PYQs, complete analysis. These words you will see. Okay, if you ask anyone on the internet, if you ask anyone for the feedback of Go classes review, honest review, genuine review of the Go classes, then these things almost everyone will tell you, that the course is in depth, with proof, with intuition. There is no rote learning. Okay, the course is quality course, a lot of practice, weekly quizzes, gate PYQs, complete analysis. This complete analysis word, this is very famous word for Go classes. I can say it is attached to the Go classes. Okay, the way we analyze each and every question, okay, in a complete analysis way, like why this option is correct, why this option is wrong, what are the variations possible if they ask this, if they ask that. So this type of complete analysis we do for each and every question, for each and every gate previous year question. Okay, so these feedbacks you may have seen, but if anyone criticizes go classes, then I think there is only one criticism, or maybe there are multiples, but the only major criticism of go classes that you will see on the internet, that will be length. Okay, now that also we have resolved. Okay, so let me tell you that we have resolved this criticism also. Okay, and let me tell you how. So you can see the only major criticism of go classes gate cs complete course, that is course length, that is approximately 1100 hours. Okay, now you might be thinking, in this 1100 hours what do we get? So let me tell you, if you have ever watched go classes any lecture on the YouTube, we have more than 1000 lectures available. If you have ever watched any lecture of go classes, then you will agree with me that in the lecture we do a lot of practice. In the lecture, we solve gate PYQs with the complete analysis. Sometimes for a particular gate PYQ, we have spent 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. That kind of complete analysis we have provided for some gate PYQs. Okay, do you agree? There are many gate PYQs for which we have provided, complete analysis in 30 minutes, total 30 minutes only just for one gate PYQ we have spent, so that we can provide you complete analysis. Okay, so overall, because of this complete analysis, because of proof, we are teaching every concept with proof. Okay, there is no rote learning, there is no surface level learning. Okay, so because of all these things, because of a lot of practice, so because of all these things, our course content has become the gate cs complete course, the main course content, it has become almost 1100 hours. To be honest, it may seem, huge to you, but actually it is not, because what you are getting in this 1100 hours, you are getting all the gate PYQs video solutions, that is also included. Okay, all the complete analysis of gate PYQs. Okay, proofs you are getting, no rote learning. Okay, so basically these things you are getting, right? A lot of practice questions you are getting within the lectures. In any single lecture, you see, we have solved standard book questions, standard resources questions, a lot of practice we have done. So overall, that is the reason our course content, the gate cs complete course length, it has become, 1100 hours. Okay, and we are admitting it, that this is the major criticism that, our critics, they share. Okay, so now to resolve it, what we have done, let me share with you. Okay, so you can see now this issue also has been resolved. Okay, how? So let me tell you, we have brought compact courses. Okay, see, so far, for total 4 courses, compact courses are available. Okay, for DBMS, for theory of computation, for discrete mathematics, and also for digital logic, compact courses are available so far. And this year we are bringing 4 more compact courses. Okay, so total 8 compact courses will be there. Main course also will be there. Okay, some students, they are thinking that we will remove the main course, okay, and we will keep the compact course. No, no, main course is also there, compact courses compact courses are also there. Okay, and the compact courses, they are made in such a way that they are equivalent to the main course. The compact courses, these are not crash courses. Okay, these are also, for example, for theory of computation, the main course is 150 hours, and the compact course, that is also almost 80 to 90 hours. Okay, so the difference, that is almost, I can say, 60 to 70 hours difference, right? Okay, but you can see the main course is 150 hours, the theory of computation compact course, that is 80 hours. So 80 hours is not a crash course, you agree with me? In most of the institutes, 80 hours, or I can say less than 80 hours, that is the main course. But our main course, that is 150 hours for theory of computation, and our compact course, that is 80 hours. Okay, I have seen many institutes there, the theory of computation main course, that is also, 50 hours, maybe 40 hours, 60 hours, like that. So our compact course, I am just telling you, I am not criticizing anyone, I am just telling you that our compact courses are not crash courses. These are also, I can say, these are also complete courses with all the concepts, with practice, with gate PYQs. These are also complete courses, but in a very concise way. Okay, in a very to the point way. Everything has been taught in a to the point way. Okay, so from the gate exam point of view, our compact course is equivalent to our main course. Okay, but what is the benefit? The benefit is that the theory of computation main course, theory of computation compact course, both will be available to you. Okay, you will see both of them, theory of computation main course, compact course. Now both are equivalent from the gate exam point of view, both are equivalent. In our main course we have more number of proof. In our compact course we have only the necessary proof. If we think that okay, this proof is necessary for you to know, then that is covered in the compact course. Okay, but in the main course everything has been taught with proof. Now in the compact course, the unnecessary proof, or I can say the less important proof, those we have skipped. Okay, but the mandatory proof, which we feel that okay, you should know this proof, then that proof, the mandatory proofs are covered in the compact course also. Okay, so overall from the gate exam point of view both are equivalent. Okay, but you can see, if you are short on time, okay, if you have less time, if you are preparing with job, if you are preparing with college, or if you are starting your preparation in the late months, for example, if you are starting in maybe June, July, August, okay, September, if you are starting your preparation in the late months, or if you are doing job, overall if you are short on time, then you can skip the main course and you can watch the compact course. Okay, you will be able to solve all the gate PYQs, that is my promise. Actually I myself will be solving the gate PYQs in the compact course in the complete analysis way. Okay, so overall I hope you are getting the point. But if you are not short on time, okay, if you are having enough time, then you can follow the main courses. Or one more thing, if you are having the enough time, then also if you want to skip the main course, you can do it. Okay, and you can follow the compact course. Remember one thing, I want top rank from you. Okay, so I will never give you any suggestion which affect your top rank. If I'm giving some suggestion to all of you, you can see in this live session, to all of you, if some suggestion I'm giving to you, then it's very certain that I believe that this suggestion will not affect your rank. So if I'm telling you that it is a choice, that you can skip the main course, you can watch the compact course, now you don't have to ask me, sir, this compact course is enough or not, will I be able to solve the gate PYQs or not, okay, will it be enough or not, should I watch this also, should I watch main course also and compact course also. So don't ask me this type of questions, because if I'm telling you something, if I'm telling all of you something, then it means that I believe that my suggestion I'm giving you based on your rank should not be affected, you should get a top rank. Overall this is the idea, I want top rank from you. Okay, you also want top rank for yourself. So every suggestion that I will give you, then it will be, it will never impact, it will never affect your rank. Okay, your all India rank 1, your top 100 rank, your top 50 rank, your top 500 rank, your rank will not be affected. Okay, with any of my suggestion. Okay, when I say affected means it will not go down. Okay, it will only go up. Okay, so let me tell you, as I told you that the course length of go classes GateCS complete course from the main courses, if you follow the main courses, then it is approximately 1100 hours. Now this problem we have resolved, we have solved this problem. So we have brought compact courses. Okay, and let me tell you that these are our existing compact courses: discrete mathematics, theory of computation, DBMS, and digital logic design. Okay, now this year new compact courses we are launching this year. Okay, so you can see this year the new compact courses will be these. You can see operating system and computer networks compact courses will be there. These will be taught by Sachin sir. Okay, Sachin sir. And you can see compiler design and computer architecture and organization. So basically compiler design and COA. Okay, so for these two subjects I am bringing compact courses this year. Okay, so basically you can see total how many compact courses are there. You can see 4 existing compact courses are there, and 4 new compact courses are there. You can see 4 existing and 4 new. Overall total 8 compact courses will be there. Okay, and you can see in your package, you can see that main course is also there and compact course is also there. Okay, so I've seen on the internet some students are saying that we are removing the main course, we are putting the compact course. No, no, we don't do that. Okay, in your package you open the package. Okay, if you have enrolled for Go Classes GateCS complete course, you open the package. In the package you will see discrete mathematics, you will also see discrete mathematics compact course. Okay, theory of computation compact course, like that. Okay, so basically you have the main courses also, you have the compact courses also, everything you have. Okay, we are not removing anything. Okay, we are giving you a choice. It is a choice given to you. For example, if you are not short on time, then if you are following main courses, then what you can do, you can watch the summary course. See, this compact course, last year we called it summary course, but the word was confusing. Okay, some students they were thinking, summary course means, crash course. Okay, but it was not a crash course. So the summary course, the word summary, that was basically misleading, or I can say confusing. So we are changing this word summary, we are changing to compact. Actually last year many students they suggested us that please sir, remove this word summary, you remove, and you change it to, compact. Okay, so that is what we have done. So overall, I am just telling you that we are giving you a choice. For example, if you are following main course, if you have watched theory of computation main course, then this theory of computation compact course you can watch for revision purpose at 2x speed. Okay, at 2x speed, for revision purpose you can watch it, or maybe you can just go through the annotated notes. Okay, so these things you can do. We are giving you a choice. If you are short on time, then you can watch compact course, you can skip the main course. Okay, so everything basically a choice is given to you. Now I hope that you, by the end of this year, or I can say that now, slowly I hope that in the, on the internet, people they will not say that, don't purchase Go classes, they are very lengthy. Okay, I hope that they will not say this, because you can see we are consistently putting our efforts to make our course better. Our course is like our child. Okay, Go classes, that is like our child. See, like other institutes, we don't, we basically, we suddenly, don't change the entire team like that. Okay, you can see, we started, I and Sachin, we are the co-founders. Okay, we started Go classes, and now you can see every year for the last 5 years these faces you are seeing. Okay, so, and these faces you will keep seeing in the future also. Okay, so basically for us, because we are the co-founders, we are the faculty. Okay, we are not like employees. Okay, it is basically our child. Okay, so we want to make it better. You can understand what I'm saying. Okay, so if you in future, let's assume you do some startup. Okay, and you are the founder, you are the co-founder, then you will see that you will put your best effort for that. Okay, because you are not employee, it's not like you are working for 9 hours. Okay, and you are an employee. No. Okay, so if you do some startup, then you will see that you will put your best effort to make it better, to make it better, to make it better. And that is the same thing that we are also doing. You can see, we got criticism that our course length is more, then we resolved it, we are trying to resolve it. Okay, for existing compact courses are there, for new compact courses are there. Total 8 compact courses will be there this year. Okay, including computer organization. You can see, one of the toughest subject people think. Okay, actually it is not tough. Okay, but people think. Okay, students they think. So you can see DBMS, theory of computation, discrete mathematics, computer network. You can see computer network compact course will be there, operating system compact course will be there. Okay, so I hope it is clear. So you can see, in your package you will see theory of computation main course is there. Okay, let's call it main course. Okay, it's approximately 150 hours. Okay, and you can see, you will also see in the package content, you can see in the GateCS complete course on Go classes. Okay, in the package content you can see we have theory of computation compact course also. You can see theory of computation compact course with gate PYQs. Okay, so this is the compact course. Okay, both are available to you, both of them are available to you. Okay, and remember, this is also not a crash course, it is also roughly 80 hours. Okay, so it is very to the point. And remember, from the gate exam point of view, both are equivalent. If you want to solve each and every gate PYQ with complete understanding, with complete analysis, then remember, this course you can watch or this course you can watch. Any one of them you can watch. You don't have to watch both of them. You can watch any one of them. But if you have enough time, then you can watch both of them also, no problem. If you are short on time, then you can watch compact course, you can skip the main course. Okay, or you can watch the main course and you can watch the compact course as a revision. Okay, so overall a lot of choice you have, depending on how much time you have. Are you preparing with job, are you preparing with college? Okay, so basically when are you starting? Are you starting in February, are you starting in July, are you starting in September? Okay, so a lot of choice we have provided to you. Okay, this is our effort for you. So I already told you that compact course versus main course both are equivalent from the gate exam point of view. Okay, and what is the difference? I told you that the compact course, this is basically to the point course. Okay, in this compact course all the necessary proofs are available, but all the unnecessary proofs, those we have skipped. But in the main course everything is covered with proof. Okay, so necessary proof, unnecessary proof, basically everything is covered with proof in the main course. But in the compact course only the necessary proofs are there. But remember, all the mandatory proofs are covered in the compact course also. Okay, so that is the reason I am saying that the compact course is also a quality course. We have done the complete analysis of the gate PYQs in the compact course also, in the main course also. Okay, but compact course, this is basically to the point, very concise course. Okay, so both are equivalent from the gate exam point of view. You don't have to worry, that okay, you have to watch this or this. Okay, you can watch any of them depending on how much time you have, depending on when you are starting, depending on are you doing job, are you doing preparation with college. So basically depending on your situation you can decide. I hope you understood. So you can see that the go classes with main courses. Okay, if you watch all the main courses, then with main courses the length is approximately 1100 hours for go classes gate cs complete course. But remember, if you skip the main course and if you watch the compact courses, then remember our GateCS complete course length, that is approximately 750 hours. Okay, of course main courses are also available to you, compact courses are also available to you. We are not removing anything, we are giving you a choice. Okay, so with main courses the length is 1100 hours, with compact courses the length is only 750 hours. Okay, so I hope you loved this, I can say, major change in our go classes gate cs complete course. Okay, so this is just basically we are putting our best effort to resolve the major criticism of go classes. This is what we are doing. Okay, so it will definitely help you a lot. Okay, so you can see the major changes in gate cs go classes gate cs complete course. So you can see 4 new compact courses will be there, so total 8 compact courses will be there. Many more weekly quizzes will be there. Already 100 weekly quizzes are there, I think 96. Okay, if you check for gate 2026, for gate cs 2026 we provided 96 weekly quizzes. Okay, you can check it, and you can see almost 100 weekly quizzes are already available, and this year many more weekly quizzes we will add. Okay, so you can see maybe 50, maybe 100 more weekly quizzes we can add. Okay, I don't have exact figure right now. Okay, how many more weekly quizzes we will add, but we will, we will keep on adding the weekly quizzes. Okay, so overall I am just telling you that the go classes weekly quizzes, these are game changers. Yes, in the chat also, yes Sharma is saying that go classes weekly quizzes, these are game changers. Yes. Okay, so our weekly quizzes, these are not formality. Our weekly quizzes are more challenging than test series. Okay, see, the weekly quizzes are free for you. Okay, for go classes gate complete course student. Okay, for our complete course enrolled students, the weekly quizzes are free, all the weekly quizzes are free. Okay, so our weekly quizzes, they are mostly attempted by go classes students, by go classes enrolled students, and we know what we have taught them. Okay, yes or no? So when we are making the weekly quiz, now we are very free, with free mind we can put, hard questions, we can put tricky questions, we can put conceptual questions, we can put this type of questions in the weekly quizzes with free mind, because we know that what we have taught in our complete course, okay, what you are learning from our Go classes complete course. So based on that, you are capable to handle these questions. Okay, so because on that level you are learning from our complete course, so that level of questions you can solve, you can handle, you can basically solve them. Okay, and if you are doing it wrong, then also you can understand the solution, because the concept you have studied from our complete course. So overall, remember, weekly quizzes are not formality. Weekly quizzes have never been formality for us. You can talk to anyone. Okay, weekly quizzes are actually more challenging than our test series. Okay, because test series, that is attempted, by all the students who are Go classes enrolled student, or or students from other coaching institutes also. Or basically the test series is, we make the test series, you know at the perfect level with the gate exam. Okay, but in the weekly quizzes, sometimes, you will see that out of 15 questions, sometimes 10 questions will be hard. But in the gate exam, out of 65 questions, almost 50% questions will be moderate, or I can say easy to moderate, or I can say that only 20 to 30% questions will be hard. Okay, but in the weekly quizzes, sometimes you will see that, 80% questions are hard. Okay, so we can do it with free mind, we can do it in the weekly quizzes. Okay, but the test series, remember, our test series reflects the gate exam. Okay, so the test series level, that is basically the gate level. Okay, if this is the gate level, then this will be our Go classes test series level. But this is our weekly quiz level. If this is the gate level, this is the weekly quiz level. And if this is the gate level, then this is the test series level. Okay, so you can see weekly quizzes, these are the game changers. And weekly quizzes are free for all the Go classes complete course students. Okay, for all the Go classes GateCS complete course enrolled student, all the GateCS weekly quizzes are free. Okay, already 100 weekly quizzes are available, and many more weekly quizzes we will add. So you can see many more weekly quizzes, and much more practice we will do from the standard resources, from the standard books, and from the standard resources. You can see, so much more practice of standard questions we are going to do. Okay, actually we are known, Go classes is basically, famous, or I can say known for solving the standard resources questions. Okay, some people, they will tell you that, in Go classes you are getting the degree of Berkeley, Stanford, degree of MIT, because those questions you will be solving in Go classes, in our lectures, in our weekly quizzes, in our test series. Okay, in our DPP, you are solving the standard questions from standard books. Okay, from NPTEL. Okay, from foreign universities, from top universities. Okay, from MIT, Berkeley. Okay, many more universities. So overall, Go classes is basically known for, following the standard resources. Okay, and one more thing, actually we are known for following the standard resources. Students, they love. Okay, because as a student, what you need, you want to solve good quality question, that is what you want. But on the other hand, our competitors, they don't like it. Okay, they will criticize Go classes, that they are, indirectly they will say like this, that कुछ लोग हैं जो एमआईटी के क्वेश्चन सोल्व करते हैं, स्टैनफोर्ड के क्वेश्चन सोल्व करते हैं, वो कुछ लोग हम ही हैं। तो अगली बार से अगर आपको कोई बोले कि आपको अगर तो फ्यूचर में अगर कहीं पे भी किसी इंस्टीट्यूट में अगर 8-10 फैकल्टी खड़े होके अगर आपको बोल रहे हैं कि कुछ लोग हैं जो एमआईटी के क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करवा रहे हैं, स्टैनफोर्ड के, बर्कली के, यहाँ यहाँ के क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करवा रहे हैं, तो याद रखना वो लोग हम ही हैं। ओके, वो जो गुनाह है वो हमने ही किया है, और वी विल कीप डूइंग दिस। ओके, सो अभिषेक इज सेइंग सर प्लीज स्पीक इन इंग्लिश। या, सी मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम you can see I am speaking in English. Okay, don't worry. So I am just saying that we will keep on doing this. Okay, in Go classes, from the beginning we have followed the standard resources. That is the reason you can see in Go classes, you will see that there are no misconceptions. Okay, because we are following the standard resources. Okay, we are solving the standard book questions, standard university questions, top university questions. Okay, so the quality questions you are solving, that is the reason. You will see one more thing, that many of go classes questions from our weekly quizzes, from our lectures, from our test series, many go classes questions have come in the gate exam as it is, in the future gate exam as it is. Okay, so I can show you many proof, but maybe you already know this. Okay, because you can ask almost anyone, I can say, who has prepared till gate 2026. If you know, from gate 2022 to 2026, all the aspirants, if you talk to them, they will tell you that many of go classes questions from our lectures, from our weekly quizzes, from our test series, many of our questions have come in the future gate exam as it is. Okay, so now, so overall, we will do much more practice of standard questions. Now let me tell you about the course. Okay, about go classes GateCS course. You already know these things, but let me just quickly go through them. So let me tell you that go classes GateCS complete course, that is pre-recorded content. Pre-recorded content, what it means? It means that you can use our go classes complete course, GateCS complete course, as self-paced. If you want to follow according to your pace, according to your subject sequence, basically according to your strategy, if you want to follow go classes GateCS complete course, then you can do that. Okay, it is a pre-recorded content. All the subjects, all the lectures, everything is pre-recorded, already available to you. When you enroll, then immediately all the courses, all the lectures, all the subjects you will get. Okay, so you can use our course as a self-paced way if you want, or if you are first timer. Okay, for the first time, if you are preparing for the GateCS exam, then you can follow our daily weekly schedule also. We will provide you daily schedule, we will provide you weekly schedule. Okay, so you can follow that schedule also. Okay, so it is a choice, again it is a choice, that for example, if you are a repeater, okay, and you want to follow your own subject sequence, if you want to follow your own strategy, then you can do that, because our complete course, our GateCS complete course, this is a pre-recorded content. All the subjects, all the topics, all the lectures, they are available to you. When you enroll, immediately everything you will get. Okay, so you can follow it as a self-paced way, okay, according to your strategy. But if you are first timer, or if you are a repeater but you want to follow our schedule, then remember, we will provide you daily schedule, weekly schedule, that also we will provide you. I will tell you more about it. Okay, so don't worry, I will tell you more about the schedule. So the daily schedule, the weekly schedule, we will provide to you. Okay, you can follow that. If you are a first timer, you can follow the daily schedule, weekly schedule. Okay, so very simple point. But the whole point, whether you follow our schedule, whether you follow your own schedule, okay, whether you follow your own strategy, whether you follow our strategy, but one thing is very, one thing is fixed, that you need to stay consistent. Okay, once you start the gate preparation, whether you start in February or whether you start in July, the moment you start the gate preparation, immediately remember, you need to stay consistent till the gate exam. Okay, never take time for granted. This is, remember, I told you in the beginning of this session, that this year 2026 should be your year of hard work. Okay, even after 10 years also, you should say, maybe to your children, you should say that I did, you know, in 2026 I turn around my life. Okay, my life was, I can say, maybe not going as good as good as expected, as I can say, but I turn around my life. Okay, I did a complete turnaround of my life in 2026. That was my year of hard work. Okay, so you should do that. Okay, so stay consistent. Now, so our course is pre-recorded, self-paced, or you can follow our daily or weekly schedule. Now, also let me tell you, to keep you motivated, to keep you consistent, from our side what we will do. Okay, it will not happen that we are providing you the recorded content, and then for the next 1 year you will not see our faces. Okay, no, it will not happen. We will take regular live sessions. Okay, we have always taken regular live sessions. Our live sessions, they regularly keep going. Okay, so remember, we will keep taking regular live sessions. Okay, for new for example, for new compact courses, I told you that total 4 new compact courses we are bringing. So these compact courses we will teach live. Okay, so you can see the live sessions regularly keep going on so that you can stay consistent. It's not necessary that you join the live session. Actually, in the live session, very few students they join the live session. So it's not necessary. But if you want to join the live session, you can join the live session. Okay, and remember, after the live session is over, the recorded session means the recording also will be available to you. So by any chance if you miss the live session, then also don't worry, the recording will be available to you. You can watch it anytime, any number of times. Okay, as long as your course is valid, I can say your course does not expire, you can watch any lecture anytime, any number of times. There is no limitation on watching the lectures, like you can watch only for 2 times, you can watch only 3 times. No, there is no restriction. You can watch any lecture anytime, any number of times. Okay, very simple. So remember that we will take regular live sessions. In the live sessions, what we will cover? We will cover new compact courses, more practice, gate PYQs, complete analysis. You can ask your doubts in the live sessions. The weekly quizzes solutions we will provide you in the live sessions. So the live sessions will keep going on. Regular live sessions will happen. Okay. For the weekly quizzes, we will do the live discussion of the questions. Okay, we will do the complete analysis of questions in the live sessions. You can ask your doubts in the live sessions. Okay, a lot of practice we will do in the live sessions, and of course gate PYQs complete analysis. Okay, so basically live sessions will keep going on. So overall, this is the conclusion, that our course is pre-recorded content, but live sessions will be there for gate PYQs, for doubts, for practice, for quizzes, for compact courses. Okay, the live sessions will keep going on. Okay, so you can see our course is pre-recorded content. Our GateCS complete course, that is pre-recorded content. All subjects, all lectures are available, recorded and ready. When you enroll, then immediately everything you will get. Okay, and in the live session, you can see, if you are thinking the live sessions when they will be conducted, what will be the timing? So let me tell you, the live sessions will be conducted in the evening. Okay, so if you are doing job, or if you are preparing with college, with BTech, okay, so then also don't worry, our live sessions will be conducted in the evening. Okay, around 7:30 p.m. Okay, so during the day, like in the afternoon, in the morning, we will not conduct the live session. Okay, in the morning, if we conduct the live session, then it will be early morning. Okay, so you can see most of the time, almost I can say 95% of the time or 99% of the time, our live sessions will be conducted in the evening. Okay, roughly around 7:30 p.m. Most of the time it will be 7:30 p.m. most of the time. Okay, sometimes it might be 9 p.m., sometimes 8 p.m. Okay, but it will be in the evening. That's the whole point. And it will be notified to you. We will announce it, that okay, this will, for example, in the private announcement Telegram group, there is a private group where we make announcement. Okay, so in that announcement group, we will make announcement that okay, today this topic we will discuss in the live session at this time. Okay, we will tell you the time also, we will tell you the topic name also. Okay, so these things we will tell you in advance. Okay, so don't worry, everything will be available to you. So you can see the live sessions will be happening, will be conducted in the evening around 7:30 p.m. Okay, you can see will be announced beforehand. You can see will be announced in advance in the private announcement Telegram group. Okay, recording of the live sessions will also be available. If you miss it, if you miss the live session, then don't worry, the recording will be available to you. You can watch the recorded session anytime, any number of times. There is no restriction. You can see, to join the live session, the link will be shared in the private announcement Telegram group, or you can join from goclasses website or app. I will tell you how to join live session from goclasses website or app, that also I will tell you. And I will tell you about goclasses private Telegram group also. Okay, so let me tell you that for our complete course students, actually for our any course student, complete course student or individual course student, if you have enrolled in Go classes complete course, or if you have enrolled in Go classes individual courses. Okay, for example, if you have enrolled, let's assume in theory of computation. Okay, if you enrolled in, let's assume, machine learning. Okay, so basically for go classes complete course enrolled student, also for go classes individual course students. Okay, for our course enrolled students, individual or complete, we have private telegram groups. There are three private telegram groups for gate cs aspirants. There are three private telegram groups for gate da aspirants. Okay, these three private telegram groups, I will tell you more about it. But to join our three private telegram groups, please send a mail to us. Okay, most probably you have already joined. Okay, most of you have already joined. Okay, or you can check the mail. Actually, you don't even have to send a mail to us. If you check the mail that you got from the go classes, you can, maybe you can check in the inbox, you can check in the spam folder. Okay, you can check in the all mails. Okay, just check, you will get a mail from go classes side. Okay, in that mail you will get private telegram group links. Okay, and these links, they are only specifically for you. Okay, for example, using your link only you can join. And once you join, okay, means once you join, then it will expire. Okay, overall basically this is done to make sure that in our private telegram groups our enrolled students are there. Our course enrolled students, complete or individual course enrolled student, they join our private telegram groups. So if you did not join go classes private telegram group so far, then don't worry, send a mail to us. Okay, our email id is contact@goclasses.in. You can see in the chat also, some students have shared our email id, or you can find our email id on our homepage, on the go classes homepage. You will find the email id. So just send a mail to us. Okay, and you will be added in the private telegram groups of go class. Okay, okay, so let's see now how to follow the course. This is very important. You might be waiting for the subject sequence, in which sequence we need to study the subject. Okay, so let me tell you how to follow the course. So first of all, how to follow the course, there are two ways. I already told you that you can follow the daily schedule that we provide, and you can stay in sync with us, or you can stay ahead of us. Okay, so you can see this is very important. So I am saying that there are two ways to follow our course. Either you can follow the daily schedule that we provide and you can stay in sync with us, or you can stay ahead of us. Okay, or you can use our course as self-paced, as per your own strategy. Okay, so you can see the way one, this is recommended for first timers. If this is the first time you are preparing for the gate cs exam, okay, if this is the first time, then this wave one is recommended. Okay, in this wave one, basically we will provide you daily schedule, we will provide you weekly schedule, and you can follow the daily schedule that we provide, and you can stay in sync with us. Okay, remember, we will share the daily schedule, means the lecture schedule we will provide you. You need to follow that, and you need to stay consistent. Okay, and it will be shared, this daily schedule, this weekly schedule, this will be shared in the private telegram announcement group. I told you we have a announcement group, private announcement group on the telegram we have. Okay, so you join that group. In that announcement group, only from our side, whatever important things we have to share, okay, we will share. Okay, you cannot write in the announcement group. I told you we have multiple private groups. Okay, there is a group where you can discuss, you can talk to us, you can discuss with us, you can discuss your doubts with the students, with the faculty, and also with our mentors. You can discuss the doubts. There is a private telegram group for discussion. There is a private telegram group only for announcement from go classes. Okay, so in this announcement group, private announcement group, you will get the daily schedule, the weekly schedule. This is what you will be getting there. Okay, so everything will be shared, remember, in the announcement group, in go classes private announcement group on telegram. Okay, so you can see, if you are a first timer, and if you are following the go classes daily schedule, weekly schedule, and if you are staying in sync with us, then basically what you need to do, you need to watch the lectures of the day. Okay, basically we will tell you what are the lectures to watch on a particular day. So you can see You need to watch lectures of the day. You need to solve the homework. You need to see the text or video solution. You need to attempt the weekly quizzes. You need to analyze them and you need to improve yourself. Okay. You can discuss your doubts in the private Telegram group, or you can discuss your doubts. You can ask your doubts in the live session also. Okay. So this is how you can follow the course according to our schedule, according to our daily schedule or weekly schedule. Okay. Now, what is way two? You can see this way two. This is recommended for repeaters. If you are a repeater, if you have already prepared for the GateCS exam, okay, then what you can do, you can use our Go classes course as a self-paced course. Okay, means all the subjects, all the lectures are already available to you, recorded and ready. So if you want to follow your own strategy, then if you want, you can use our course as a self-paced course. Okay, so you can do that. Very simple. Okay, so basically these are the two ways to follow our course. Either you can follow our course as a self-paced course according to your own strategy, or if you are a first timer, then you can follow our daily schedule, weekly schedule, the lecture schedule we will provide you. In the schedule, in the weekly schedule, we will tell you that on this day these lectures you need to watch, on this day these lectures you need to watch. Okay, so basically the complete thing we will provide you, that okay, on this particular date these lectures you need to watch. Okay, so like that. I hope you understood. This orientation session, this is also being recorded. Okay, the recording of the orientation session also will be available to you. You can watch the orientation session anytime, any number of times, no problem. Of course, you just watch it one time and then you know the complete roadmap, and then you just study. Okay, you just put your best efforts. Now let me tell you the subject sequence to follow for GATE CS 2027. Remember, one thing I want to tell you, the GATE CS exam, this is actually a very systematic, very structured exam. Okay, the syllabus is limited. There are 10 to 12 subjects. Okay, and in every subject the syllabus is well defined. The questions will not come out of the syllabus. Okay, so basically overall I think that the GATE CS exam, this is a very well defined syllabus, very good exam, very structured and systematic exam. Okay, so there are 10 to 12 subjects you already know in the GATE CS syllabus. Okay, now in which sequence to follow them, that I will tell you. But overall, what you need to do to become a topper, you might be thinking, many people, they ask me, sir, to get a top rank, what should I do? So let me tell you what you should do. Let me tell you that mystery. Okay, this mystery is not known to anyone, remember. Okay, some secret ingredients, let me tell you, to become a topper. What topper knows that you don't know? So let me tell you that. Okay, let me reveal the secret. Okay, so the answer is, if you want to become a topper, and if you want to know the mystery, if you want to know the topper secret to become a topper, then let me tell you the answer is study. Very boring answer. You might be waiting for something fancy. Okay, that something fancy will come. The topper will tell me something fancy, some secret the topper will tell me, and I will become a topper. But the answer is very boring, right? That if you want to become a topper, study consistently. Two words: study consistently. That's it. Remember one thing, there is no secret, there is no mystery. The GATE exam, it's a very good exam, it's a gateway to opportunity, but the GATE preparation is not fancy. Don't make it fancy. The GATE preparation, don't make it fancy that okay, some fancy strategy will come. On the YouTube, maybe you have seen this type of videos ki 30 expected questions. Okay, that these questions will come in the GATE exam, and maybe dark reality, satrangi reality. Okay, this type of videos maybe you have seen, the dark secret of the GATE exam. In the thumbnails I've seen, actually I never watched those videos, but in the thumbnails I've seen the dark reality of the GATE exam. Every year a new video comes and the same thumbnail, dark reality. Okay, so remember, there is no dark reality. कोई dark नहीं है, कोई सतरंगी नहीं है, कोई एकदम रेनबो जैसी नहीं है. ओके, बिल्कुल एक सिंपल है. The gate exam is a good exam, but the gate preparation is not fancy. Gate preparation is basically consistently study, do your best every day, and you will become a topper. Nothing fancy. very simple. Okay, and I think you should keep it simple. Okay, you should not make strategy every single day. I've seen many students, what they do, they just keep making strategy till the end. Okay, till the gate exam, every month they just keep making strategy, like, okay, and they keep watching the videos where some new strategy will come. Okay, this topper has given me this strategy, this topper has given me this strategy. Okay, so that's not how it works. Keep it simple. Okay, just keep, of course, see, when you keep it simple, you will feel bored. Okay, and you will feel lazy कि यार चलो मूवी देखने चला जाता हूँ, थोड़ा कुछ कुछ मतलब एंटरटेनमेंट कर लेता हूँ, थोड़ा इंस्टाग्राम चला लेता हूँ। ओके, थोड़ा सोशल मीडिया चला लेता हूँ, तो बेसिकली थोड़ा दोस्तों के साथ घूम लेता हूँ। बेसिकली इस तरह की चीजें आपके दिमाग में आएंगी। ऑल दीज थॉट्स विल कम टू योर माइंड। व्हाई? व्हाट इज द रीजन? बिकॉज कीपिंग इट सिंपल इज हार्ड। ओके, fancy things are interesting. Okay, fancy things are interesting, but they don't provide you result. Simple things are hard to follow, but they provide you the result, they make you the topper. This is very important. The things that you are feeling excited about, the fancy things, the fancy strategy, those will not make you topper. The shortcuts will not make you topper, the crash course will not make you topper, the tricks will not make you topper. Tricks are fancy, right? Okay, when we see a thumbnail, tricks for the gate exam, okay, tricks of theory of computation, tricks are fancy, shortcuts are fancy, crash courses are fancy. These things, they take your attention. Okay, they basically they grab your attention. So these are fancy things. But on one side, if I have a thumbnail, study consistently, that thumbnail you have, on one side you have a thumbnail, tricks, shortcuts, crash course, crack the gate exam in 60 days, get 2 marks every day. Okay, for 50 days get 100 marks. Okay, so okay, in 1 month get 50 marks. These things are fancy, right? Okay, these things, they they will not make you topper. But on the other hand, this simple thing, this will make you topper. But it is actually hard to follow. The fancy things are easy to follow. It's very easy to follow a crash course, but it's not easy to follow the main course. It's easy to follow shortcuts and tricks. It's not easy to follow the proof, the intuition, the complete analysis, the understanding. It's not easy to follow. So always just think what is easy to follow, what is hard to follow. Okay, think about it. And let me tell you, what is easy to follow will not make you topper. What is hard to follow will make you topper. I have seen before the gate exam, this type of videos have come. Okay, on the internet you can find that get 2 marks every day. So in 50 days, how many marks? 100 marks. Okay, okay, and one more video, I think, in 1 month get 50 marks. Okay, so this type of videos, of course, they are fancy videos. They are made for views. Okay, and they attract many students. But you already know that majority of the students, they don't want to put efforts. That is the reason majority of the students, they don't become topper. The toppers are not majority, the toppers are minority, because doing the hard work, that is only done by the toppers. Doing the easy work, that is done by majority. Now you have to decide, you want to be in the minority, means you want to work like a topper, or you want to work like just majority. Okay, so that you need to decide. I hope you understood this point. Okay, so now let me share with you the subject sequence. So overall, this very important point I told you. Okay, so just keep this in mind, that following the shortcuts, following the crash course, following the tricks, okay, following the surface level course, following the rote learning, that is easy, that is fancy, but that will not make you topper. Following the main course, following the proof, learning the concepts with complete understanding, clear understanding, and correct understanding, doing the complete analysis of the questions. Okay, so learning in the right way, basically these things are hard. These will make you topper. If you want to become a topper, behave like a topper. Okay, so very simple. Now let me tell you the subject sequence to follow for GATE CS 2027 preparation. Okay, so you can see, first let me give you the subject sequence. Okay, so this is the subject sequence, you can see. So here You can see these are the subjects I will teach. These are, you can see Deepak Poonia. I am Deepak Poonia. So you can see these are the subjects I will teach. Okay, and basically these are my courses, and these are Sachin sir courses. Okay, and you can see this is the subject sequence. I can say this is the sequence in which you should follow the subjects. Okay, we always start with mathematics. Let me tell you, Go classes started in 2021. Okay, from that onwards, for the last 5 years, for the last 6 years, Go classes GateCS course has always started with mathematics. We don't provide you some random sequence of subjects. We don't do that. Okay, we believe that mathematics should be your starting point. This is what we believe. Okay, because the mathematics will help you in all the subjects. Discrete mathematics will help you in all the subjects. Okay, see, discrete mathematics, from discrete mathematics only 8 marks or 10 marks will come in the gate exam, that you already know. But indirectly, discrete mathematics affects almost 20 marks in the gate exam, maybe 25 marks in the gate exam. Okay, so discrete mathematics, it is a mathematics for computer science. If you watch the MIT course, in the MIT, the discrete mathematics, this name they don't use. They don't use discrete mathematics name. Anyone has seen what is the name of discrete mathematics course in MIT? The name is Mathematics for Computer Science. This is the name in MIT for discrete mathematics. Okay, so you can see that this discrete mathematics will help you in all the subjects of computer science. So directly, if you see how many questions of discrete mathematics have come in the gate exam, then directly only 8 marks, 10 marks. Okay, but indirectly almost 20 marks, 25 marks indirectly. Okay, so overall, Go classes GateCS complete course, we always start with mathematics. Okay, so you can see here, this is the subject sequence. So in February, we will start with discrete mathematics and also fundamentals. In the fundamentals, we will study proof techniques. Okay, I will tell you more about it. So you can see in February, we will start with discrete mathematics and fundamentals. Then you can see in March and April, we will finish discrete mathematics and engineering mathematics. You can see linear algebra and probability. This is basically engineering mathematics. Okay, and one more thing, this linear algebra and probability, this will help you in interviews also. Okay, after the gate exam, if your rank is between 500 to 2000, by any chance, if your rank goes from all India rank 500 and all India rank 2000, if your rank is in between this, okay, then you will be invited for interview in IITs for MTech RA, for MS, for MTech research. For these courses, you will be invited for interview, and in the interview, one single topic that can help you crack the interview, that is linear algebra and probability. This is the power of linear algebra and probability. But remember one more thing, in the GateCS exam, if you see, then there will be one question, I think, from linear algebra. Most of the time only one question comes in the GateCS. Okay, in the GateCS exam, from linear algebra, one question or maybe two questions sometimes. So basically 2 to 3 marks from linear algebra. Okay, and from probability, I can say 3 to 5 marks. Okay, because you know many questions, they are based on probability. Okay, in every year in the GateCS exam, you will see the probability, this word they will use in at least 4 to 5 questions. Okay, maybe those questions are from other subjects, because probability, this will be useful in all the subjects. In every subject you will see questions based on probability, in algorithm, in hashing, in data structure, in operating system, in every subject, this probability based questions you will see everywhere. Okay, so that is the reason this probability is very important for the gate exam also, and for interview, linear algebra and probability both are very important. Okay, but for the GateCS exam, you can see from the linear algebra 2 to 3 marks will come, and from probability, I can say 3 to 5 marks will come at least. Okay, so overall, you can see that, you can see by the end of April, we will complete discrete mathematics, we will also complete linear algebra, also probability. Okay, and you can see these things, they are going to help you in all the other courses. Okay, for example, let me mark it. this probability, also discrete mathematics. Okay, these things, these two things, they will help you in all the remaining subjects. Okay, that is the beauty of these two topics. Okay, discrete mathematics and probability. Remember, linear algebra, this will not impact the other courses. Okay, so if you are thinking that linear algebra, will it be used in the other courses of GateCS syllabus, then answer is no. Linear algebra will not be used, but probability will be used, discrete mathematics will be used. Okay, so you can see this is the schedule. Now in May, in the month of May, digital logic and calculus. Then you can see in the month of June, computer organization, and you can see C programming and computer network. This computer network, you can see this will go from, you can see, June to July. Okay, you can see it's like some part in June, some part in July. Okay, like that. You can see in July, DBMS and operating system. You can see. Then in August, theory of computation. In September, compiler. And here you can see. So basically, two subjects are going in parallel. Okay. So the schedule that we will provide you, the daily schedule, the weekly schedule that we will provide you. Okay. In that schedule, two subjects will go in parallel. But remember, the total number of hours that you have to watch according to our daily schedule, according to our weekly schedule, the total number of hours that you have to watch every day on any particular day, the total number of hours, that will be roughly around 5 hours only. Okay, so remember, if you are following go classes daily schedule, go classes weekly schedule, then on a particular day only roughly 5 hours of content you have to watch. Okay, and one more thing, many students they tell me that, sir, I have watched it, 5 hours of content you told me to watch, so for this particular day, today I have completed the 5 hours, now what should I do? Okay, so let me tell you one thing, you can go ahead of us. Okay, see, for example, if I am providing the daily and weekly schedule of discrete mathematics. Okay, then let's assume today you have watched, let's assume today you have completed your target. Okay, and let's assume you have completed lecture 5. Okay, now that was target that you have to watch till lecture 5, and you have completed the target. Very good, very good. But now if you have time, then will you waste it? Okay, you have completed your target, but maybe you can study for maybe 2 hours, 3 hours more. Maybe you can study for few more hours. Then will you just wait? Okay, देखिए यार मेरा टारगेट पूरा हो गया, अब कल देखेंगे, अब कल का टारगेट पूरा करेंगे. Will you do like this? So let me tell you the answer. See, maybe after few days, maybe you can fall sick. Okay, maybe after few days some urgent work will be there. Do you agree? It can happen that after some days, you don't know, in future, after 1 month, after few days, maybe some urgent work will come, some exam will come. Okay, maybe some health issue might happen, anything can come. Okay, and maybe for few days, maybe you will not be able to follow the daily schedule, maybe you will not be able to follow the weekly schedule, you will not be able to watch the lecture. So what you should do, you should go ahead of us. At least, if you don't want to go ahead of us, then at least stay in sync with us. But if you are having more time, okay, we provided you that, okay, these 5 hours of lecture you have to watch, but after that, if you are having more time, maybe 2 hour, 3 hour, maybe 4 hour more, you can study, then you should go ahead of us. What you should do, after lecture 5, that was the target, after lecture 5, you should watch lecture 6, you should watch lecture 7. Okay, like this, you should go ahead of us. When we complete in our daily schedule, in our weekly schedule, when we complete discrete mathematics, then maybe you have completed the discrete mathematics maybe 10 days back, you were ahead of us. So stay ahead of us. This is what I'm telling you. And that is the reason our pre-recorded content, because our content is pre-recorded, so you can stay ahead of us. You don't have to wait. The content, all the lectures, all the subjects are already available to you, so you can stay ahead of us. In our daily target, if we have lecture 1 to 5 for today, then maybe you can watch lecture 1 to 7, maybe lecture 1 to 8, depending on how much time you have today. Okay, so what it will do, If you stay ahead of us or if you stay in sync with us, then what it will do, you will complete the syllabus very quickly. Okay, by the end of September you will complete the syllabus. Then October, November, December, January, you can do practice, you can do gate PYQs, you can do test series, you can do mock test, all India mock test. Okay, you can do revision, a lot of revision you can do. These things you can do basically. Okay, so I hope you understood. So remember, either you stay in sync with us or you stay ahead of us. Okay, overall, this is the subject sequence. You can see in our daily schedule, in our weekly schedule, two subjects will go in parallel. One subject from my courses and one subject from Sachin sir courses. Okay, and one more thing you can see, this schedule is designed to make sure that you complete the prerequisite before. You can see, for example, if you want to study computer organization, then before studying computer organization, you must study digital logic. Do you agree? Before learning computer organization, you must study digital logic. Similarly, before study compiler design, you must study theory of computation. So you can see this schedule, this subject sequence is very carefully designed. It's not a random sequence. It's very carefully designed. You can see before computer organization, before COA, you can see we are completing digital logic. Okay, because this is the dependency that before computer organization you must study digital logic. Also you can see before compiler we will complete theory of computation. You can see because this is the dependency, the theory of computation concepts, they are used in the compiler design. Okay, so this is the dependency. Okay, so you can see all these things. Next you can notice one more thing, in the digital logic we study number system, so that is useful in the computer network also. Okay, so in the computer network also that is useful. In the computer network when you study IP addressing, okay, so IP addressing when you study, then number system is very useful. Converting from decimal to binary, binary to decimal, hexadecimal to binary, binary to hexadecimal. Basically this number system, this is useful when you study the IP addressing in the computer network. Okay, so you can see this sequence that we shared with you, this subject sequence, this is very carefully designed. Okay, I will tell you about aptitude also, don't worry, I am going to discuss about aptitude also, but this is the subject sequence and this is very carefully designed. I hope you understood. Okay, so very simple. You can also see that, you can see that after computer organization, this operating system. Okay, so you can see everything is very carefully designed. Okay, also you can see after data structure, algorithm. Okay, so one thing you tell me, when you study algorithm you need data structure. If you study any algorithm, then you need to know what is stack, what is heap, okay, what is linked list, what is array. If you study any algorithm, then these data structure you must know. So before you study algorithm subject, you must study data structure. Yes or no? You cannot do that first you study algorithm then you study data structure. It's like completely reverse, because when you study algorithm, like sorting, minimum spanning tree, any algorithm when you study, then you need to know the data structures, linked list, stack, tree, binary tree, all these things you need to know. So before algorithm you must study data structure. That is also covered in our schedule. You can see our schedule, this subject sequence, let me tell you, whether you are from Go classes, whether you are learning with Go classes or from any other institute, does not matter. This is a very thoughtfully designed subject sequence. Okay, this is not a random sequence. This is very thoughtfully designed, very well designed subject sequence. Okay, all the dependencies have been covered here, or I can say all the dependencies have been taken care of. Very simple. Okay, so you can see our GateCS 2027 daily schedule will start from 23rd of February. Okay, that is Monday. Today is Sunday. From Monday, sorry, today is Saturday. Today is Saturday. From Monday means 23rd February. That is Monday. Okay, from Monday, our GateCS 2027 schedule will start. Okay, the weekly schedule that we will share with you, the daily schedule that we will share with you. So that schedule will start from 23rd February. That is Monday. Today is Saturday. From Monday it will start. Okay, so please join the Go Classes private Telegram groups. In the announcement group, we will share with you the daily schedule, weekly schedule, and that schedule will start from 23rd February. Okay, so you can see, very important point. So you can see that our GATE CS 2027 daily schedule starts from 23rd February, that is Monday. Okay, our daily schedule, our weekly schedule will start from 23rd February. That is daily schedule for pre-recorded lectures. We will tell you on this day which lectures to watch, on this day which lectures to watch, on this day which lectures to watch, like that. Okay, very simple. So we are starting. One more thing, I told you the subject sequence, yes or no, that we will start from the discrete mathematics and engineering mathematics. Okay, two subjects will go in parallel in our subject sequence, in our daily schedule, in our weekly schedule. Okay, so you can get started. You don't even have to wait for Monday. You can start today. Just open the discrete mathematics course. In the discrete mathematics course, start from the module 1. From top to down, from module 1 start. Okay, you don't even have to wait for Monday. I'm telling you, don't take time for granted. Don't waste a single day. Start today itself. Stay ahead of us. Again, I'm telling you. Okay, stay ahead of us. But in worst case, at least you stay in sync with us. That is the worst case. Okay, means it should not happen that you are behind us. Either you stay with us or you stay ahead of us. You don't stay behind us. Okay, that is the whole point. Now, how to prepare aptitude? So let me tell you. You can see how to prepare aptitude. So see, aptitude in the GATE exam, it is actually much easier than the CAT exam or many other exams, many other SSC, UPSC, those exams. So the GATE exam, the GATE CS, or I can say the GATE exam aptitude, it is actually comparatively easier. Okay, and for aptitude, what you need to do? See, aptitude is a very vast syllabus. You agree with me? Verbal ability, how many words you have to remember. Okay, so similarly, the quantitative aptitude, basically the aptitude, that is basically a very, I can say, vast subject. Okay, so personally, I never recommend that you continuously study aptitude for the 15 days, 20 days, or for 1 month. I never recommend that. Okay, when I was preparing for the GATE exam, then also what I did, I am sharing with you. Okay, but I never recommend, and I think most of the toppers, they will not recommend that you study aptitude, continuously for 15 days, 20 days, continuously you are just studying aptitude. Okay, so what you should do for aptitude, let me tell you. But one more thing, actually, discrete mathematics, many discrete mathematics questions, they will come in the aptitude. If you see GATE 2026 aptitude questions, then let me tell you, out of 10 questions in each set 1, set 2 of GATE CS 2026, whether you check set 1 or set 2, you will see that out of 10 questions, 4 questions were from discrete mathematics. Okay, so the discrete mathematics is helping you in the aptitude also. Okay, so this is what I'm saying, that for aptitude, how you should prepare. So let me tell you. Okay, let me share with you. So you can see, this is the suggestion, that you watch one topic every weekend. Okay, every weekend you watch one topic. Okay, this is screenshot, you can see. For example, this is just to give you one example. You can see, this is one topic, remember. Okay, lecture 5A, 5B, 5C. Remember, this is one topic. This is one topic. Okay, so what you can do, you can watch one topic every weekend. Okay, weekend means Saturday, Sunday. So basically, one topic of aptitude you can cover every week. Means I'm suggesting you that every week you cover one topic per week. Like this, if you do, then what will happen? The aptitude, remember, aptitude is more about practice. First you study the concept, you watch the lectures. In the lectures also we have done a lot of practice. In the lectures we have done the complete analysis of the gate PYQs of the aptitude questions. Okay, so what you need to do, you just watch the lectures, and then, because in 1 week you are doing one topic, okay, like modular arithmetic. This is one topic, okay. Lecture 5a, 5b, 5c, these are modular arithmetic lectures, okay. So overall this lecture 5, it has 3 lectures, 5a, 5b, 5c. So overall this lecture 5, this you can cover in 1 week, okay. So basically one topic per week. If you do like this, and then you also do the practice, means you solve the gate PYQs, okay, of all the branches. For aptitude, you can see for all the branches, the aptitude questions you can solve, where you will find, if you want, all branches, all the gate branches, all the aptitude questions, if you want to find, where you will find, tell me, is there a single place, is there a single PDF containing all the aptitude questions of all the gate branches? Yes, the answer is GateOverflow PDF. On the Google you put, today on Google you search GateOverflow PDF, okay. I will tell you where you can download. Basically you can download the PDF. In that PDF, all the aptitude questions of all the gate branches are available, with answer, with discussion, with explanation, with multiple explanations, with multiple answers, okay, with complete discussion, okay. So you can see each and every aptitude question of all the gate branches are available in a single PDF. You don't even have to go anywhere. You don't have to go to any other website. You don't have to go to any other book, okay. So for practice, I will share with you, I have this in my slides. I will share with you how to download this PDF and how to use this PDF, okay. So I will tell you more about it. Basically what you can do, on Google you can put Gate Overflow PDF, and you can download the PDF for free, okay. So you can see how to prepare aptitude. Watch one topic every weekend, okay. For example, this is a topic, you can see lecture 5a, modular arithmetic. Then you can see annotated notes, okay. For every lecture you can see annotated notes are also available, okay. You can see then lecture 5b, modular arithmetic practice questions, you can see modular arithmetic practice questions, okay. You can see for 42 minutes practice questions of modular arithmetic, you can see. Then you can see lecture 5c, gate PYQs of modular arithmetic, okay. So you can see that this is one topic, okay. So watch one topic every weekend. This is how you can prepare for aptitude, okay. Very simple. I hope you understood. Now let's see what will be the first topic that you will cover. I already told you the subject sequence. So I told you that we will be starting with discrete mathematics and engineering mathematics, okay. So let me tell you what will be the first topic to be taught, okay. So in discrete mathematics, the first topic that we will cover, that is actually proof techniques, basic proof techniques, okay. So you can see when you start the discrete mathematics course, you can see our go classes discrete mathematics course. When you start, okay, then you can see the module 1. Just check the module 1. The module 1 is basic proof techniques, okay. In this module 1, you can see we have proof techniques like direct proof, okay, proof by contrapositive, proof by contradiction, you can see proof by mathematical induction, okay. And you can see homework, okay. You can see weekly quiz, okay. Annotated notes are provided, okay. So you can see overall the point is that the module 1, that is basically proof techniques, okay. Now most of you might be thinking that gate exam is objective exam, okay. There will be options. In the gate exam you don't have to write a proof, okay. Yes or no? Correct. So why we are teaching the proof technique? Can anyone tell me? I think only Go classes might be the only institute where we teach proof technique. Actually, we start with proof technique. Our GATE CS complete course, it starts with proof technique. Okay. And I think we are the only coaching which teaches, proof technique. So what is the reason we are doing this? Okay. To improve the analytical skills. Yes. In the chat also students are saying there are actually many multiple purposes, okay. First of all, to improve your analytical skills, the proof techniques, they improve your problem solving skills. If any new question comes, then you can solve it. Let me tell you the second thing, it will help you in the interviews, because in the interviews for MTech RA, for MTech research, for MS, in the interviews they will ask you for proof. If you say anything, they will ask you, can you prove it? Okay, so there also it will help you. Also, one more thing, in GATE 2026 exam, there was a question based on proof technique. Did you see that question from functional dependency in the GATE 2026 CS exam? In GATE CS 2026 paper, in set 2, there was a functional dependency question, and they were asking that to prove this result, a result they have given a result, and they are asking that to prove it, what you need to use. Okay, basically they are asking the proof of that statement. This was very interesting. For last 5 years, for last 6 years, go classes is covering proof techniques. We are teaching all the concepts with proof, but suddenly you can see, in after 5 years, in GATE 2026, this question came. A statement is given from functional dependency in the DBMS. In the DBMS, from functional dependency, a statement is given, and they are asking that to prove this, what you need. Okay, so I can say that for last 5 to 6 years, we are teaching proof techniques. We are teaching all the concepts with proof. Okay, and we got criticized. Let me tell you, many people, many students, actually less students and more, I can say, competitors. So basically our competitors, and I can say other teachers, other faculties, other institutes, they have done criticism of go classes कि ये तो प्रूफ पढ़ाते रहते हैं, पीएचडी करवा रहे हैं। ओके, गो क्लासेस वाले पीएचडी करवा रहे हैं, तुम्हें गेट एग्जाम की तैयारी करनी है, तुम्हें पीएचडी नहीं करनी है। Okay, so basically this type of criticism they do. Okay, because we are teaching with proof. Now let me tell you, in 2026 gate CS exam, in DBMS, this question has come. You can see, you can check it out. Okay, and maybe more questions will come in the future. Overall, the point is that this proof technique we are teaching, or I can say every concept we teach with proof, the reason is that it improves your problem solving skills. It improves your understanding of the concept. It gives you the complete understanding of the concept. You don't have to do any rote learning. You don't have to by heart any formula. How many formulas you will by heart? Okay, so if you don't want to do any rote learning, then proof techniques, proofs, these things are very important. But most important point, that they improve your problem solving skills. You become able, okay, you become capable to handle any new type of question. Also it will help you in the interviews. So basically there are many purpose. Okay, there are many, I can say, goals of teaching with proof. Okay, so you can see that we start with the proof techniques. Okay, in the discrete mathematics, the module 1, that is basically proof techniques. You can check it out. Okay, so very simple. So you can see we start with basic proof techniques to help you improve, to help improve our analytical skills and help us in every subject of the computer science. Very simple. Okay, now let me tell you about the weekly quizzes. So go classes weekly quizzes, I already told you in this session that go classes weekly quizzes, these are very famous and they are actually challenging. So our weekly quizzes are more challenging than our test series. Okay, I told you that if this is the gate exam level, this is the gate CS level, then this is the test series level. Go classes test series level, and this is the gate exam level. But remember, our weekly quizzes level is here. So this is the gate CS level and this is the weekly quizzes level, but our test series level is basically same as gate CS level. Okay, so this is our test series, this is the gate CS level, and this is the go classes weekly quizzes level. So you can see our weekly quizzes, these are not formality. Don't take them for granted. Don't think कि ये तो फॉर्मेलिटी होगी, 5 क्वेश्चन इजी से रख दिए होंगे, ऐसा नहीं है। ठीक है, अच्छे कॉन्सेप्चुअल ट्रिकी challenging questions are there. Okay, easy questions are also there, moderate are also there, hard questions are also there. There are some questions which I know you will not be able to solve, but still I have put those questions because I know that after going through the solution of that question, you will learn a lot. Okay, so I'm telling you one thing, when we make the weekly quizzes, sometimes we put a question which is a very good question, and we are very sure that most of the students will do it wrong. Majority of the students, or I can say almost all the students, will do it wrong. We know this, but still we put it. Why? What is the reason? Because we know that once we do the complete analysis of this question, then the student will get to learn a lot. Student will love it. Okay, student will say, wow, this is the question from this single question I got to learn a lot. Okay, so that is the whole purpose. Basically the purpose of weekly quizzes, that is analysis, learning and improvement. So you can see how to attempt weekly quizzes. Let me tell you, you just go to the goclasses website. This is the goclasses homepage. You can see goclasses.in. Okay, so just visit there and you can see, click this button, this test series button, you click here. Okay, so in this drop down menu you can see this weekly quizzes CSE. Okay, so you click this button. Okay, then you will be able to see all the weekly quizzes for gate CS. Okay, so remember, for gate CS 2026 we gave almost 100 weekly quizzes, but this year many more weekly quizzes we will add. Okay, so total the number of weekly quizzes that will become, maybe 150, 200. The number of weekly quizzes will become, I can say, very large. Okay, so the weekly quizzes will be very fun, I can say. I just want to request one thing, that don't take weekly quizzes for granted. Attempt weekly quizzes. Once a topic is over, attempt its weekly quiz. Once a subject is over, then attempt its test series test. Okay, go classes weekly quizzes are different, go classes test series is different. Okay, go classes weekly quizzes are free for you, means go classes weekly quizzes are included in the Go Classes complete course. For Go Classes complete course enrolled student, weekly quizzes are free. All the weekly quizzes are free. Okay, but the test series is separate. For the test series, you need to separately enroll. Okay, the test series we will launch in the month of March. In the March end, we will launch the test series. So this test series you can enroll in the end of March. Okay, when we launch it, but this test series needs separate enrollment. But all the weekly quizzes, 100, 150 weekly quizzes, okay, all the weekly quizzes, these are free for Go Classes complete course students. Okay, very simple. Okay, now one more thing, that the weekly quizzes, remember, once you do a topic, once you study a topic, then you solve its, for that topic you solve the weekly quiz. Okay, once the subject is over, then you solve the test series. Okay, for that subject, all the topic wise test, all the subject wise test, those tests you solve from the test series. So this is the sequence. Okay, some students they ask, sir, what should be the sequence? Should we first attempt the test series, should we first attempt the quizzes, or should we first attempt the PYQs? So let me tell you the sequence. When you are watching the lectures, in the lectures we have done gate PYQs. Okay, so by the end of the subject, already more than 60% gate PYQs we have done in the lectures only. So remember, when you are watching the lecture, you are already doing the gate PYQ. Okay, one thing, once a topic is over, then you solve the weekly quiz of that topic. Okay, once a topic, for example, regular expression, that topic, once that topic is over, then you attempt the weekly quiz of regular expression. Once a subject is over, complete subject like complete theory of computation, or complete discrete mathematics, once a complete subject is over, then what to do, then you solve for that subject, you solve topic wise test in the test series, subject wise test in the test series. Okay, this is the sequence. And gate PYQs, remember, when you are watching the lecture, already 60% or 70% gate PYQs you are doing in the lecture, and the remaining gate PYQs you can do after the subject completion. Once a subject is over, the remaining 30% gate PYQs you can complete after the subject is over. I hope this has made everything clear. Okay, when to solve gate PYQs, when to solve weekly quizzes, and when to attempt test series. Okay, I hope this has made everything clear. Very simple. Okay. So you can see here, you can find the Go Classes weekly quizzes. Okay. Now this is a very important note, extremely important note, I can say. This is that Go Classes weekly quizzes, these are for learning, these are for analyzing your mistakes, and these are for improving. These are not to judge yourself based on marks. Okay, this is very important. I have seen students what they do, when they get less marks in a weekly quiz, when they get less marks continuously in the weekly quizzes, then they stop attempting weekly quizzes. I have seen this. Okay, they come to me, they tell me, sir, I got less marks in the weekly quiz, I am feeling demotivated. I'm continuously getting low marks. Low sorry I'm continuously getting low marks in the weekly quizzes. I'm feeling demotivated. Okay, then after some time, the student stops attempting the weekly quizzes. This is what I have seen happens with some students, or I can say with many students. I want to tell I want to tell you one thing very clearly, that our weekly quizzes, remember, they are only for analyzing your mistakes. The questions that you have done wrong, you do the analysis of those questions. You go through the video solution, you go through the text solution, okay, and you find your mistakes, where you made the mistake, okay, what approach you could not think. Just analyze your mistakes, what mistake you made, why you were not able to solve this question, was there any conceptual gap, was there any silly mistake, was there any, did you not study this topic, or did you not understand this topic. So basically, the weekly quizzes, remember, these are to improve your preparation. Once you do the analysis of the wrong questions, then only you can improve your preparation, then only you can go towards the top rank. If you keep getting demotivated by the small things, then how will you become topper? Stop this I am getting demotivated at attitude. Okay, just throw it. हर छोटी छोटी बात के ऊपर डीमोटिवेट नहीं होना है कि किसी वीकली क्विज के अंदर कम मार्क्स आ गए हो लो डीमोटिवेट। ओके, लगातार कुछ वीकली क्विजेस में लो मार्क्स आ गए हो लो डीमोटिवेट। मतलब डीमोटिवेट होने का ऐसा जल्दबाजी नहीं करनी है कि चलो डीमोटिवेट होते हैं। ओके, मैं देखता हूँ कुछ स्टूडेंट्स तो थोड़ा मतलब डीमोटिवेट होने पे लगे ही रहते हैं। अच्छा कि ये टॉपिक समझ में नहीं आया, चलो हो लेते हैं डीमोटिवेट। रिमेंबर, गेट एग्जाम इज अ कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम। ओके, यहाँ पे आपका जो कॉम्पिटिटर है उसकी भी प्रिपरेशन परफेक्ट नहीं है। there is not a single student who has done perfect preparation. Your competitor, I can say, your colleagues, even the topper, even the all India rank 1 has not done perfect preparation. No one can ever do perfect preparation. Okay, so your competition is not with God. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप एग्जाम लिख रहे हो गॉड के साथ एग्जाम लिखोगे। ओके, सो रिमेंबर, योर कॉम्पिटिशन इज नॉट विद गॉड। नो वन कैन डू perfect preparation. Perfect preparation is a myth, no one does. But what toppers do, they can improve. Okay, they can find their mistake, they can improve. For example, if a question is wrong, then they will think why this question is wrong, is there a silly mistake. If there is a silly mistake, okay, I will take care of this silly mistake, I will not repeat this in the next test. If there is a conceptual mistake, then they will think, did I study this topic? If I did not study this topic, let me study this, then let me solve this question again. Okay, if I have already studied this topic but still I am not able to solve this question, then what is the reason? Did I not understand this topic? So let me again revise. Okay, let me revise this topic again and then let me solve this question again. I hope you are getting the point, that you just analyze your mistake, what type of mistake was it, and then you improve, and then only you will become, eventually you will become topper. Suddenly you will become topper one day, okay, on the gate exam day. But this progress is not, remember, this progress is not visible every day. Okay, have you ever gone to gym? है ना, जब हम जिम में जाते हैं सो क्या होता है कि हम सोचते हैं कि अच्छा कर ली, थोड़ी जिम कर ली, और सोचते हैं कि यार बॉडी नहीं दिख रही, वो बाइसेप्स ट्राइसेप्स ये सारी चीजें दिख नहीं रही। ओके, तो बात यह है कि जो प्रोग्रेस होती है वो ऐसे सडनली विजिबल नहीं होती। कभी आपने देखा है, छोटे बच्चे होते हैं वो छोटे से बड़े हो जाते हैं, लेकिन हमें कभी एक दिन में ऐसा नहीं लगता कि यार ये बढ़ गया है। कभी ऐसा हुआ है क्या कि कोई मम्मी आके बोल रही है कि मेरा बच्चा कल तक मेरा बच्चा 100 सेंटीमीटर का था, आज मेरा बच्चा 101 सेंटीमीटर का हो गया है? कभी सुना है ऐसा? हाँ, कभी नहीं होता ना कि कि 100 सेंटीमीटर से 101 सेंटीमीटर हो गया, मम्मी नाप रही है कि भाई कितना था, कल 100 सेंटीमीटर का था, आज कितना है। नहीं होता ना ऐसा। तो बात यह कि प्रोग्रेस जो होती है वो विजिबल नहीं होती, लेकिन सडनली एक दिन बच्चा बड़ा हो जाता है। सडनली एक दिन वो 6 फीट का 7 फीट का अमिताभ बच्चन एकदम, समझ रहे हो? तो वो सडन ऐसा तो नहीं है कि वो सडनली हुआ है वो, ठीक है, वो हुआ तो एकदम, एक होता ना कि प्रोग्रेस थी वो, एक इट्स अ प्रोसेस बेसिकली। ओके, तो वो सेम चीज है। टॉपर अगर बनना है तो एक दिन में नहीं बनोगे। इट विल नॉट हैपन कि एक ही वीकली क्विज के अंदर टॉप कर जाने से, या एक वीकली क्विज में लो मार्क्स आने से, या फिर कंटिन्यूसली 30-40 वीकली क्विजेस में भी अगर आपके लो मार्क्स आ रहे हैं तो भी आपकी आपकी रैंक कहीं नहीं जा रही। What will make you a topper? You think about it. Getting demotivated by small things will not make you topper. You stay energetic, you stay motivated, just keep the mindset of improvement. In your mind, you just keep one thing you make it clear, that whether I get low marks, whether I get more marks, whether I get full marks, whether I get 0 mark, whether I get continuously low marks or continuously high marks, anything, whatever happens, it does not matter to me. My purpose is improvement. Okay, can I improve from any question? Can I improve from any quiz? Can I improve from any test? My purpose is improvement. Maybe this test was hard, maybe these questions were easy, but I did not study these topics. Okay, maybe these questions were easy, maybe, okay, for others these questions are easy, but I did not understand this topic in a clear way. Okay, so let me revise the concept, let me solve these questions again. Very simple. Keep things simple. Okay, so keep the learning mindset, you will become a topper. And keep the छोटी छोटी बातों पे डिमोटिवेट, बस एक होता ना कि बस कुछ भी हुआ डिमोटिवेट, ओके, ऐसा मत करो, ठीक है? Okay. So remember, Go classes weekly quizzes, these are for learning, analyzing your mistakes, and for improving, not to judge yourself based on marks. If you are getting low marks, high marks, that's fine. Both are fine. Okay. But remember, focus on learning, focus on analysis and improvement. Okay. Now, let me tell you about the practice questions, from where students can do practice, from where students should do practice. So, let me tell you that in our Go classes lectures, we have lots of quality questions. Okay, in every lecture, you will see we have lots of quality practice questions. Okay, so when you are watching a lecture, then you are doing a lot of practice you are doing. Okay, so what you should do actually, when you are watching a lecture, then if I'm solving a question, if Sachin sir is solving a question, then what you can do, you can pause the video, you take your copy pen, you pause the video, and you do it yourself. Okay, you spend 3 to 4 minutes to solve that question. If you are able to solve that question, very good. If you are not able to solve this, if you are not able to solve that question, then also very good, just play the video, see the solution. Okay, but remember, in the lecture a lot of practice we do. So whenever we are solving any question, then pause the video. When the question comes in front of you, pause the video. Before watching the explanation, pause the video, take your copy pen, do it, spend 5 minutes. Okay, do some work. So then after 5 minutes, you play the video, you see the solution. Okay, this is what you should do. Remember, if you are not able to solve the question, don't get demotivated. छोटी छोटी बातों पे डिमोटिवेट होना ही नहीं है. अगर 10 क्वेश्चन भी अगर कंटिन्यूसली, इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू सॉल्व 10 क्वेश्चंस कंटिन्यूसली, देन आल्सो डोंट फील डिमोटिवेटेड. रिमेंबर, लर्निंग माइंडसेट रखना. ओके, जस्ट कीप द mindset of learning, mindset of improvement. Okay, very simple. So you can see in our Go classes weekly quizzes, we have lots of standard practice questions, standard quality practice questions. You can see the Go classes weekly quizzes, these are free with our complete course. Okay, for our complete course students, weekly quizzes are free. Okay, Go classes homework and practice set, Go classes test series. Remember, the Go classes test series you need to enroll separately. Okay, but remember the weekly quizzes, okay, all the weekly quizzes, these are free for Go classes complete course enrolled students. Okay, also there are Gate PYQs, Gate CS PYQs, previous year questions of last 35 years, or I can say 40 years. Okay, also UGC NET PYQs, UGC NET computer science PYQs, ISRO computer science PYQs, NIELIT computer science PYQs, TIFR computer science PYQs. Okay, so these are also there. And also our dedicated practice sessions, there also we will do a lot of practice. So overall, these are the practice questions. One thing I forgot to mention here, our DPP, Go classes DPP. Actually, last year we started DPP, daily practice questions. Okay, every day, every single day, we uploaded 5 questions every day. So you can see, if you calculate 365 multiplied by 5, okay, that's like you can calculate, that's like almost 2000 questions. Okay, so you can see almost 2000 questions we uploaded as DPP last year. Okay, so DPPs we will continue this year also. Okay, where you can find DPP, don't worry, everything is available on the Go classes website. Okay, let me show you. Let me show you. ये देखो, see this. Okay, just go to the goclasses website. This is the goclasses homepage. Click on this button. Just see this button, test series. Okay, see this daily practice questions DPP. Okay, so is this clear? Now is it clear where to find DPP? Is it clear? Let me know. Click on this button DPP. Okay, so I hope you understood. So click on this button DPP. Let me tell you, goclasses has been very consistent in putting the DPP. Okay, many other institute, they start DPP. Okay, then after few days they stop it. Okay, but goclasses has been very consistent in providing the DPP. Every day 5 questions we are providing. Okay, every day we are doing this, and these DPP, they are also from the standard resources. Okay, these questions are also not a poor questions. These are also taken from standard resources. We always take questions from the standard resources. Okay, whether in our lecture, in our DPP, in our test series, in our weekly quizzes, everywhere. Okay, each and every goclasses question is based on standard resources, standard books. Okay, so these DPP, these are extra practice questions for you. Okay, last year DPP plus this year DPP. Okay, every day we will keep putting the DPP. So basically we are building a huge amount of practice questions based on standard resources. This is what we are doing. Okay, and I think this will become very helpful. This will become a collection at a single place, basically in goclasses, under the same roof. I can say under the single roof, we are providing you a huge amount of practice questions from the standard resources. This is what we are basically building. Okay, this is a process we are building. Already many DPP are available, many more we will provide. Okay, yes, DPP, they are subject wise. Okay, subject wise DPP we have provided. Just check it out, our DPP. Okay, now let's move on. So practice questions I told you, so you don't have to go anywhere, remember. Okay, for practice questions, if you want to do lots of practice, you don't have to go anywhere. Okay, just follow goclasses lectures. They have a lot of practice questions, our weekly quizzes, our DPP, our practice set, our homework, our test series, and of course the previous year questions of GATE, ISRO, NIELIT, UGC net. Okay, and of course goclasses DPPs. So you can see lots of practice you can do in goclasses. Also, let me tell you that we have goclasses app also for Android as well as for iOS. So you can download this app also. You can see, download the goclasses app for Android, for iOS. You can search goclasses on the Play Store. You can search goclasses on the App Store. Okay, so depending on you have Android or you have iOS, so you can download the goclasses app in your mobile. Okay, so one more request I have, if you have already installed goclasses app, then please give 5-star review, and please write a review and please give rating. Okay, that will help us. Okay, so if you did not install so far, in your mobile you can download, you can install the goclasses app. Okay, it will be very helpful. We don't provide you any spam notifications. Okay, you will not get any spam notifications, not a single unnecessary, not a single spam, not a single promotional message we give as notification. We have never done that. Okay, our notifications will be for the new lectures. Okay, for the live sessions, for the lectures, for the new lecture, for these things our notifications will be there. Okay, you can turn on the notification. The promotional notification will not be there. We don't put, we don't send any promotional notification, any spam notification. We never do that. Okay, so please download and install the goclasses app on your mobile. And if you have already done it, then please, today it will take only 5 minutes, please give review and rating. Okay, it will take only 5 minutes. Okay, so let me tell you that on the homepage actually a lot of things are available. You can see this is our goclasses website homepage. Okay, goclasses.in. You go there and then you can see here you have everything basically. If you want to enroll for GateCS complete course, this button you can click. So you can see this button you can click for enrolling GateCS complete course. To enroll Gate DA complete course, you can click this button. To enroll for Gate CS plus DA complete course, you can click this button. Okay, for combo complete course, Gate CS plus DA combo complete course. And to enroll for Go classes Triplet Hyderabad PGWE test series or course, you can click this button. Okay, you can see to enroll any individual course or complete course, you can click this button. Okay, so in this button you will find all the individual courses, all the free courses, all the complete courses, basically all the courses you will find here. To join Go classes public Telegram group, see this is public Telegram group. Okay, so to join Go classes public Telegram group, you can click this button. Okay, and you can see if you click this button, I told you this test series button, if you click, then what you will see, you can see here this test series button, if you click, then you will see test series, you will see weekly quizzes for CS, weekly quizzes for DA, and you will see this daily practice problem, this DPP. Okay, then you can see you can download our app, you can click this and you can download the Go classes Android app. Okay, for iOS app, you can search Go classes on the Play Store, on the App Store. Okay, you can see if you click this button, then free courses are there. Okay, here we have all our toppers. Okay, the details about our toppers. And this is also another point, that some blogs we are writing. Okay, on important things we are writing the blogs also. So here you can find the blogs also, you can check it out. Okay, for many important things we have written blogs on many different important things. The blogs are the blogs we have written. Okay, you check it out. Okay, so overall a lot of things are available on the Go classes homepage only. Okay, one more thing I'm very happy to share, that Go classes, the SEO, search engine optimization, that is also very good. Okay, so on Google you can put, if you want, if you are not finding anything, then just put it on Google. For example, if you want to find Go classes DPP, just search on Google Go classes DPP. Okay, search on Google. If you are not finding Go classes weekly quizzes, then you search on Google Go classes weekly quizzes. Okay, so our search engine optimization, our SEO, that is very good, I can say. In the last 3 4 or I can say 5 years, it has become better, very much better. Okay, so for example, if you want Go classes public Telegram group link, okay, then you can search on the Google, you can put Go classes Telegram, public Telegram. Okay, so this type of, basically if you need anything, okay, and if you are not finding it, then just search on the Google. Okay, just put Go classes as a prefix or suffix. Okay, just put it as a suffix. Okay, like weekly quizzes Go classes, test series Go classes. Okay, GateOverflow PDF, of course, that is there, you can search only GateOverflow PDF. So overall, just search on Google and you will find it. Okay, or you can let us know, you can send a mail to us and we will send to you. Okay, now how to join live sessions. So let me tell you, you might be thinking how to join the live sessions. I told you regular live sessions will be there. Okay, so how to join live sessions? So there are 3 ways to join live sessions. Okay, one is app notification, this is one way, app notification. Another is from website or from app, and another is from Telegram private announcement group. Okay, from private announcement Telegram group also you can join. Okay, so let me tell you one by one. Let me tell you about the app notification. Okay, so you can see, to join live session, basically whenever some live session will be scheduled, once we schedule a live session, then what will happen, you will get an app notification. So please download and install Go classes app on your mobile, Android app or iOS app, you can download, you can install. Okay, then turn on the notification. Remember, the notification you will get from us, these will be only for live sessions, only for classes. Okay, no promotional notification we will ever send you. Okay, so you will not get, spam notification or promotional notification from our side. Okay, so turn on notification and you will get to know about the live session. When we schedule a live session, then immediately you will get an app notification. It will tell you that live session has been scheduled. Okay, very simple. You can see this type of notification you will get. This is a screenshot, this is an example. You can see this type of app notification you will get. For example, you can see Go classes, you can see lecture 1B, closure properties of regular languages, live class has started. See this. Okay, when the live class will start, live class has started, then this app notification you will get. Okay, you can see this is another notification. You can see another notification is theory of computation course updated. See this theory of computation course updated, one item added. Okay, so this type of app notifications you will get. Okay, I hope you understood. You can see this is another app notification. You can see theory of computation updated. Okay, one item added. So basically I hope you are getting the point. Okay, if you install the goclasses app, then what kind of app notification you will be getting, I told you. Okay, so turn on the notification, download the app, install the app, and turn on the notification. And also, once you install the app, then please share your rating and feedback also, it will help us. Okay, how to join live sessions from website, from app. Okay, for example, if the app notifications are turned off, let's assume if you have turned off app notification, then how to join the live session, how to join from the website, from the app. So let me tell you that when we schedule a live session, then you can see, you will see, you can go to the my courses first of all. Okay, just go to the my courses. When you go to the my courses, then you can see when we schedule a live session, then this will appear. You can see, for example, if we schedule a live session in the discrete mathematics, then this will show one upcoming live class. Okay, can you see one upcoming live class? Okay, so very simple, it will tell you that one upcoming live class is there. Then when you click on this course and when you go inside, then what you will see, notice this upcoming demo class. Okay, look at this here, upcoming, here this word upcoming. Okay, so very simple, I hope you understood. Okay, you can see if you click on this button upcoming, then you will see time to go live. Okay, that in 2 hours it will go live. Okay, so very simple, very nice, good, I can say, system is there. Okay, so you can see. And also, how to join live sessions from goclasses private announcement group on Telegram. So join the private announcement group on Telegram, and for every live session the link will be shared in the announcement group. Remember, you must join the private announcement group on Telegram, and the live session link will be shared there. Okay, and to join our private Telegram groups, either you have already received the mail, you can check it, or you can send a mail to us, we will add you in the private Telegram groups. Okay, so very simple. So you can see this note here that for all the live sessions, the link will be shared in the private Telegram announcement group. Okay, in the announcement group, you can check your all mails. Okay, you can check the spam folder, or you can check all mails. You can check all mails to join, or you can send a mail to us to join. Okay, now let me tell you about the doubt resolution, where you can ask your doubts, where you can discuss your doubts. So let me tell you about it. First, what to do, you send a mail to us to get added in the private Telegram groups. If you did not join Go Classes private Telegram groups, then you can join by sending a mail to us. Or if you have already joined, then very good, no problem. Okay, so basically in these private Telegram groups you can discuss your doubts. So remember, these private Telegram groups, these are basically for doubt discussions. Okay, so you can see we have 3 private Telegram groups for GateCS. Similarly, 3 private Telegram groups for GateDA. Okay, so let me tell you the 3 private Telegram groups for GateCS. One of them is for discussion. Okay, one group is there for discussion, where you can discuss your doubts. This is basically doubts group. You can discuss your doubts, you can ask questions, you can answer others doubts. Okay, basically you can discuss all your doubts here. Very simple. So this private group is there. There is another private group, that is announcement only group. Okay, where we will make the announcement. In this group you cannot write anything, but from our side any important announcement will be made here. Okay, anything that we share, we will share here in this announcement only group. Okay, there is another group, the third one. Okay, there is another group, that is alumni group. Okay, so in the Go classes we have this alumni group on the Telegram, private alumni group. Okay, in this alumni group we have our previous toppers. I think Go Classes is the only institute where in a coaching institute we have the alumni culture. Okay, so in this alumni group, this is a private alumni group where you will find our previous toppers who are studying in top colleges, or who have already completed their MTech from top colleges, who are doing job in the top companies, in the government jobs, in the PSUs. Okay, so basically we have this alumni culture in the Go Classes. We have private alumni Telegram group, and in this group you will see our previous toppers are there. Okay, you can do discussion with them, you can ask them any curious question. Okay, you can chit chat, you can take motivation from them. Basically this alumni group you can use. In this group our previous toppers are there, who are either doing MTech, or who are doing masters from top colleges, from IIIT Hyderabad, from IIT, NIT, IISc Bangalore, like that. Okay, CMI, BITS. Okay, who have joined government jobs, ISRO, BARC, DRDO, who have joined PSUs, IOCL, ONGC, and many others. I hope you understood. So this alumni culture we have. Okay, so here you can discuss with our previous toppers. Okay, for motivation and chit chat. Okay, so overall these are three private Telegram groups that we have. I hope you understood. Okay, so if you did not join these groups so far, then you can send a mail to us. But remember one thing, that you must be enrolled in Go Classes course, either complete course or individual course. If you have enrolled for any individual course, or if you are enrolled for the complete course, then you can join the private Telegram groups. Okay, but if you have joined only test series, then you cannot join. Okay, so basically for test series discussion we use GateOverflow website. Okay, on the GateOverflow website we host our test series, and under any question you can put a comment, you can discuss, you can write your answer, you can see others answer, multiple answers, multiple comments. Basically the complete discussion of the test series, the complete discussion of the weekly quizzes we do on the GateOverflow website. Okay, but in our private Telegram groups you can join if you are enrolled in Go Classes course, either individual course or complete course. Okay, very simple. So you can see these are some screenshots. For example, you can see this was one of the group. I told you we have three Telegram groups, private Telegram groups for GateCS. You can see this is one of them. Here you can do a discussion. This is an old screenshot. Actually right now the number of members that is more. Okay, this is a very old screenshot. Okay, so you can see Go Classes private GateCSE. There is announcement only group where we make announcement. You can see this type of important announcement. Here you can see Sachin sir has shared something. Okay, and you can see 126 love signs, and you can see 3 like signs. Okay, then you can see there is alumni group also. Okay, where you can discuss with our alumni. Okay, like here you can discuss, so like that. Okay, he is Subhodip, by the way. So let me tell you, this person is Subhodip. He is in IIT Madras. He is in IIT Madras. Okay, his name is Subhodip. He was also Go Classes complete course student, and he is currently studying in IIT Madras. So you can see that like this. Okay, some student was asking EM और DM के लिए Go Classes lecture plus Kenneth Rosen sufficient है, and this student has Subhodip has replied, दीपक सर और सचिन सर का EM DM फिनिश कर दो, गेट के लिए मोर देन इनफ है, IIT के लिए 20% असाइनमेंट भी सॉल्व कर दोगे, नो नीड ऑफ एनीथिंग एल्स. So you can see this type of discussions you can do. You can discuss with our previous toppers in this alumni group. Okay, very simple. Now let's move on. Also let me tell you a very important thing, that in our discussion groups, in our Telegram discussion groups, in the private group, we have a person who is famously known as Grog. Okay, have you seen? So in Go Classes private discussion group, okay, in this private discussion group we have Grog. This is not that Grog, okay, that AI. This is a person who has cracked GATE exam, GATE CS as well as GATE DA. He got all India rank 62 in GATE CS, all India rank 63 in GATE DA. Actually he is senior than me. Okay, he is age wise, experience wise, he's senior than me. Okay, so he's a very senior person, but he does not want to reveal his name, and that's fine. Okay, so I know him. Okay, you don't know his name, but I know him for the last 6 years. I know him, and he has replied, I think, to almost every doubt that people have asked in the Go classes private group. Okay, in the Go classes private discussion group, almost every doubt, almost each and every doubt has been answered by Grok. This Grok, this is just a username, remember? Okay, this is not AI. Okay, this is a person who has got all India rank 1 in UGC NET also. Okay, he is not Arjun sir. Arjun sir is different. Okay, Arjun sir is different. Arjun sir is founder of GateOverflow. Okay, Arjun sir is also very active. Okay, he will also answer your doubts on the GateOverflow in the Telegram also. They answer. So Arjun sir also, answers a lot of doubts. Okay, but Grok is different. Okay, Grok is basically a senior person than me. Okay, and I think each and every doubt in the Go classes private GateCS discussion group, each and every doubt Grok has answered. Okay, you can talk to our previous students, you can talk to our old students, they will tell you about Grok. Okay, he's like Batman of Go classes. So in the chat, some students are saying Batman of Go classes. So like that. Okay, so you can see, let me introduce you, because Grok will be basically your doubt support. I can say he will reply to your doubts, he will answer your doubts. Okay, in the Go classes GateCS private Telegram group. So you can see doubt support for Go classes GateCS 2027 enrolled students. Okay, Grok, known as Grok on the Telegram among GateCS and DA aspirants, but he is a gate topper basically. He is a senior person with vast experience. Okay, let me tell you his qualifications, some of them. These are some of his qualifications, not all. Okay, these are some of the qualifications. He got Gate CS 2024 All India rank 62, Gate DA 2024 All India rank 63, UGC NET All India rank 1, 100 percentile. Okay, 100 percentile. So these are some of the qualifications. Actually, multiple times he has got top 100 rank in the Gate CS. Okay, also in Gate DA also he has got All India rank 63. Okay, and he has vast experience. For the last 6 years I have known him. He has been very helpful with the doubts. Okay, and now for the last 1 year he has been associated with Go classes. For the last 1 year he is helping students with their doubts in the Go classes Gate CS private Telegram group. Okay, so for doubts, remember, for doubt resolution, for doubt discussion, there will be no issue. Okay, we have Grok, you can discuss your doubts in the live session. Okay, so there will be no issue. Okay, you can see these are some of the screenshots. Okay, here you can see people are tagging Grok, they are asking, and Grok is replying. Okay, you can see Grok is replying. Okay, very simple. You can see students are tagging. Okay, this is another screenshot. Here also you can see students are tagging Grok and Grok is replying. You can see. Okay, like that. You can see this another screenshot. Here you can see a student is saying Grok is so gentleman. Okay, you can see. Okay, so where you can get your doubts resolved. So let me tell you, you can discuss your doubts in the private Telegram group. Grok will reply, or other students will reply, or the faculty will reply. Basically your doubt will be resolved very quickly. Okay, very quickly. Next, you can see in the live session you can discuss your doubts with the mic on. You can turn on your mic and you can ask your doubts in the live session. You can discuss your doubts on the GateOverflow website also. Of course, this GateOverflow website, this is a very, I can say, famous website for Gate CS aspirants for the last 10 years, more than 10 years. Okay, so also you can send personal Telegram messages also. For example, if you have any doubt for me, then you can send me personal Telegram message also. But remember, this is the best way to resolve your doubt, that you discuss, you put your doubt in the private Telegram group, and almost immediately either Grok or me, faculty or colleagues or other students or our previous toppers, they will resolve your doubts. Okay, I hope you understood. If there is any query, If there is any confusion, any doubt, or if you are facing any issue, please send a mail to us. This is our email ID, contact@goclasses.in. Okay, very simple. Also, let me tell you about the mentorship and support. So, for mentorship and support, you can talk to us on the Telegram. You can send a personal Telegram message. And I think, particularly, I can say that my WhatsApp number I've shared with Go classes enrolled students. Almost many Go classes enrolled student, they have my WhatsApp number also. Okay, I don't have any problem with sharing my WhatsApp number with our Go classes enrolled student. And I have done discussion on WhatsApp. Okay, you can discuss with me on Telegram, you can discuss with me on WhatsApp, you can discuss with me in the live session also. Okay, basically, for mentorship and support, we conduct mentorship session also. Okay, live mentorship session also we conduct, where you can discuss your doubts with us. Okay, you can turn on your mic and you can discuss your doubts with us. Okay, so remember, for mentorship and support, what we have private Telegram group, we have alumni group. You can discuss, you can seek mentorship, okay, from our previous toppers or from faculty, okay, by messaging in the private Telegram group like alumni group. Okay, personal Telegram message you can send. Or remember, we also take live mentorship session, where you can turn on your mic and you can talk to us, you can discuss with us. Okay, also let me tell you about the notes making. So what we do, from our side, we provide you annotated notes for every lecture. For every lecture, remember, annotated notes is provided. Toppers handwritten notes are provided. Okay, our Go classes toppers, their handwritten notes from Go classes lectures, those handwritten notes are also provided. Okay, but other than that, we recommend that you write your own notes. See, the best strategy, or I can say the best thing, that is writing your own notes. But if you are short on time, if you are preparing with job, or if you are starting at a later point of time, if you are starting in July, August, okay, then basically if you are short on time, then you can make use of annotated notes, you can make use of toppers handwritten notes. Okay, from our side, we have provided you multiple options. We have provided you multiple toppers handwritten notes. Okay, handwritten notes of multiple toppers we have provided in the courses. You can check it out. Okay, in every course, at the end, you will see handwritten notes of multiple toppers. Also, for every lecture, annotated notes are available. Okay, but the best thing, that is, you write your own notes. That is the best thing. But if you are short on time, then you can make use of annotated notes, also toppers handwritten notes. Okay, very simple. So I told you about toppers handwritten notes. Okay, so you can see, if you go to any course, for example, if you go to discrete mathematics, then at the end, you can see in this discrete mathematics course, at the end, you will see, in any course, at the end, you will see toppers handwritten notes. Okay, and here you can see multiple toppers handwritten notes we have provided. Actually, let me tell you about Quantum City. Who is Quantum City? His name is Shreyas Rathod. His name Shreyas Rathod. He is known as Quantum City. His name is Shreyas Rathod. He is currently studying in IIT Madras. He was All India rank 107 and he was Go classes complete course student. Okay, so from Go classes lectures, Shreyas has written very beautiful notes. Okay, so these are Shreyas notes which we have uploaded here. Okay, so he is currently studying in IIT Madras and he got All India rank 107 in GateCS, and he was our Go classes complete course student. Okay, where to find all the GateCS PYQs? Okay, is there any PDF which contains all the GateCS previous year questions of the last 40 years? Is there any PDF which contains all the aptitude questions of all the gate branches? This type of PDF, are they available? So the answer is yes, and they are available for free. That is another beautiful thing. Okay, so let me tell you that if you want to download the gate CS PYQs PDF, okay, then that also you can do. So what you need to do, on Google, you search GateOverflow PDF. Okay, search it on Google. Then this GitHub link will come. Okay, you can see this GitHub link will come. Just click on this GitHub link. Okay, here you can see GateOverflow Go PDF. Okay, in short, it is also called Go PDF. Go PDF. So you can see this GitHub link will come. You click here, GateOverflow Go PDF. Okay, you can see when you click on this button, this link, when you click, then this page will open, and here you can see Go PDF. Go PDF for GateCS. Okay, you can see GateOverflow PDF for GateCS. Two PDF are there for GateCS. TIFR PDF, UGC NET PDF, ISRO PDF, Aptitude PDF, okay, and NIELIT PDF. So you can see for all the exams, PYQs, you can see these PDFs are available. You can download all of them. You can see this is Aptitude PDF, which contains all the aptitude questions of all the GATE branches. Okay, and you can download these two PDF, which contain GATE CS previous year questions. Okay, so you can see when you click on this button, then you can see these two PDF you can download. Okay, very simple. So you can see volume 1, volume 2, these two PDF you can download. Okay, I told you about test series, that test series you need to enroll separately. We will launch test series in the month of March. Okay, in March end we will launch the test series. Okay, but test series you need to enroll separately. Weekly quizzes, all the weekly quizzes, they are free. They are freely available for our complete course students. Okay, so the test series we will launch in the end of March. Let me also tell you about referral code. So we have a refer and earn facility. You can share your referral code, and if any student successfully enrolls in any of our complete course using your referral code, then you will get cash back in your bank account. Okay, so you can see what you can do. Let me tell you, you can go to the goclasses website, and once you log in, okay, you log in, then this button will be there, become a partner. Okay, just see this button, become a partner. This button will be there. Okay, in your profile, you can see in your profile, just go to your profile, and there you will see this become a partner, this button you will see. If you click on this button, then you will see a code. Okay, affiliate code will be generated for you, affiliate code, but remember that is not activated. Please understand, when you click this become a partner button, then affiliate code will be generated for you, your own affiliate code, or I can say your own referral code. That is a fixed code for you. Okay, so your referral code will be generated, but that is not activated. You need to send a mail to us to get it activated. We will activate the referral code. We will activate only for those students who are enrolled in Go classes complete course. If you are enrolled, if you are a Go classes enrolled student in our complete course, DA complete course or CS complete course or combo complete course, then for you, when you send a mail to us, then for you we will activate the referral code. Okay, then you can see what are the benefits of the referral. So let me tell you. So you can see you will get affiliate link, you will get affiliate code. Okay, and this affiliate code is very important. Okay, when any student enrolls using your affiliate code as a promo code, then they will get discount and you will get referral commission basically. Okay, so very simple, referral cashback you will get. Okay, so you can see, you can click on when your affiliate code will be activated. When we activate your affiliate code, then you will see in your profile, you will see this affiliate link, affiliate code. But here remember, this affiliate code is very important. Okay, this is more important than affiliate link. Actually, this is the most important, this affiliate code. This code you can share with any student who want to enroll in Go classes complete course. Okay, in GateCS complete course or DA complete course or combo complete course, you can share with them. The student will get discount, up to 4% discount the student will get, and you will get 3% cashback. Okay, so you can see, to activate your affiliate code, you need to send a mail to us. This is the email ID, our email ID, contact@goclasses.in. So to activate, remember, it is very important that you send a mail to us to activate your affiliate code. Okay, if you are enrolled in Go classes complete course, CS or DA or combo, then we will activate the affiliate code for you. Okay, these are the benefits of the affiliate code. You can read it, you can pause the screen, you can pause the video, and you can read these benefits. So you can see that, remember the affiliate code, this will work only for complete course. Okay, using your affiliate code, the student will get discount only when they enroll in Go Classes complete course, either CS complete course or DA complete course or combo complete course. Remember, to enroll in test series or to enroll in individual courses, affiliate code will not work. Okay, affiliate code will work to get discount. Affiliate code will work to get discount when the student want to enroll in our complete course, CS or DA or combo complete course. Okay, on the other courses, on the individual courses, on the test series, the affiliate code does not work. Okay, I hope you understood. So very simple. So you can see, when your friend enrolls in any of our complete course using your referral code, then they will get up to 4% discount, and you will receive 3% cashback of the amount that they pay. Okay, the student will pay some amount, after 4% discount they will get up to 4% discount, and the amount that they will pay, you will get you will get 3%, you will get 3% of that amount as a cashback. Okay, please note one thing, this is a very important note. Okay, that your affiliate code must be used as a promo code during checkout. Okay, so that is the reason, again I'm telling you, that your affiliate code is more important, the affiliate link is not important. If some student is using your affiliate link, but he is using someone else's affiliate code, using your link but using someone else's affiliate code as a promo code, then the affiliate code which is used as a promo code, they will get 3% cashback of the amount that the student will pay when they enroll for the complete course of Go classes, either CS or D or combo. Okay, so this affiliate code must be used as a promo code to get the discount. Is this clear? So very simple. Now the last line, to claim your affiliate commission, like how to redeem your affiliate commission. So please send a mail to us, this is our email ID. Okay, to activate, please understand, to activate the affiliate code, you need to send a mail on this email ID. This is to activate the affiliate code. Okay, this is the email ID where you can send a mail to us to activate the affiliate code. But if you want to redeem your referral amount, okay, to claim your affiliate commission, you need to email us on this email ID. Okay, you can check it out. Okay, so how to make best use of Go classes course, let me tell you. To make best use of Go classes, you need to stay consistent. Very simple. Okay, so be consistent, watch lectures, solve homework in time, attempt weekly quizzes, do analysis of weekly quizzes. Don't worry about low marks in the weekly quizzes. The weekly quizzes are for learning improvement and for analyzing your mistakes. Okay, and please give regular feedback about the course to help us improve, to help us make our courses better. Okay, to help us giving you a better learning experience. Okay, so basically these are our expectation from you. Okay, from your side, from you, these are our expectation, that you will stay in sync with us, you will stay consistent, you will put your best efforts, you will make this 2026 your year of hard work. Okay, that is what we are expecting from you. Okay, so please do that. Okay, we will put our best effort, you put your best effort. Very simple. Okay, and remember one thing very important, I told you in the beginning also, that remember, knowledge is your backup. Okay, by any chance, if the gate exam does not go well, you prepare for the gate CS in a very nice way, you are watching the lectures, you are attempting the weekly quizzes. Okay, you are solving the gate PYQs, you are attempting the test series, you are doing everything that is there to be done. Okay, but after that also, let's assume by any chance, if the gate exam does not go, I can say, in a desired way, then is there any backup? Okay, so let me tell you, your knowledge is your backup, because remember, with your GateCS preparation, many other exams you can crack. Okay, you can see this is my post on the LinkedIn I wrote. So you can see these are the exams with same or similar syllabus as GATE CSE. Okay, so with your GATE CS preparation, these exams you can crack. Okay, you can see these are the exams for higher studies like for masters or for PhD. Okay, you can see you can crack PGW, IIIT Hyderabad, you can crack ISI Kolkata exam, TIFR exam, CMI exam, BITS exam, JEST exam, UGC NET exam. So these exams you can crack with your GATE CS preparation. Okay, remember, you don't even have to do any other preparation. With your GATE CS syllabus, with your GATE CS preparation, you can crack all these exams. Okay, you can see these are the exams that you can crack, and these are the government jobs and PSU exams. For example, NIELIT scientist exam, ISRO scientist exam, BARC exam, DRDO scientist exam, Airport Authority of India exam. Okay, various bank IT officer exam. Okay, so all these exams you can crack with your GATE CS preparation. Again, I'm telling you that your knowledge is your backup. You just give your best, you prepare. Okay, you learn the concepts, you understand the concepts, you put your best effort, you do everything that is there to be done, and then you don't worry. Either you will top the GATE exam, either it will happen, or with your knowledge, many more exams you can crack. Okay, I told you the list. Many more these exams you can crack. You can join government job, you can join PSU, you can join top institutes, higher studies, top institutes in the MTech or MTech research or MS, like that. Okay, very simple. So that's it, everyone. I hope to see you in a top college. You can see these are our students in IISc Bangalore. This is a very old photo actually, but this is very close to my heart. Okay, almost in every orientation session I show this photo because this is very close to my heart. Okay, I think it is from 2023. Okay, 2023, you can see from go classes many students they joined IISc Bangalore, IIT Bombay, top colleges, and they sent me this photo from IISc Bangalore. This is IISc Bangalore main building. Let me tell you, this building you can see, this is Indian Institute of Science main building, and these are go classes students in go classes t-shirt. You can see they sent me this photo in 2023, and this is very close to my heart. I want to see you in top colleges like IISc Bangalore, IIT Bombay, old IITs, TIFR, BITS, CMI, TIF. Okay, basically many other top colleges like IIIT Hyderabad, like that. Okay, so you can see. So that's all in this orientation session. I told you everything about GATE CS 2027 preparation, the complete roadmap for the next 1 year. Okay, what you need to do, what you don't need to do, what you should do, what you should avoid. Everything I told you. Okay, I hope this session was helpful. Let me know, was this session helpful? I think from my side, everything I have covered. Even I have covered, after the GATE exam, what are the similar exams similar to GATE syllabus? Okay, what other exams you can crack with the GATE CS knowledge? Okay, so I think everything, I think I did not leave anything. Okay, so longest orientation ever, complete analysis. Yes, I wanted to make sure that in a single video, in a single session, I cover everything, like how to do the analysis of the quizzes, test series. Okay, annotated notes, or I can say gate PYQs, complete analysis, everything. Okay, so lectures, everything. So I hope this session was helpful to you. Okay, so remember, from 23rd February, our daily schedule, our weekly schedule will start. Okay, are you excited? I'm very excited. Okay, don't waste a single day. Okay, this video, this orientation session, I will put on the YouTube also. On the YouTube, under this session, I want one comment from your side that this year 2026 will be your year of hard work. Will you put that? I told you, right? 2017 was my year of hard work. Okay, I made a complete turnaround of my life in 2017. That 1 year of hard work made me reach where I am today. Okay, so I hope that this 2026 should become your year of hard work. After 10 years, after 20 years also, You can tell your friends, your children, your family, everyone that there was a year 2026 when I did hard work. I turned around my life. Okay, I made a complete turnaround of my life. I put my effort for 1 year consistently. I did the simple things. Doing the simple things is hardest. Okay, yes or no? I told you, doing the fancy things is easier. Doing the simple things is hard. I did the simple things every day. Okay, every day I was doing the simple things. What are the simple things? Study consistently, understand the concepts, watch the lecture, understand the concept. You should have correct, clear and complete understanding of all the concepts. That is your purpose. When you attempt any weekly quiz, any test, then you must make sure that you are doing it for improvement, for learning. Okay, not to judge yourself. If you are not able to solve some questions, don't worry, just see the solution and understand what you did wrong. Okay, so basically this 1 year, this is a year of improvement. The progress will not show in 1 month, in 1 day. Okay, but remember, progress is there. Okay, suddenly you will become a topper. Okay, but that suddenly happens after a long, I can say, a long time of hard work. Okay, I hope you are getting the point. So thank you everyone. I'm very excited. I have seen your chat. Your chat. I keep, yeah, like it is showing to me. Okay, I can see your chat. I am very excited. I will be with you. Sachin sir will be with you. We will be with you. Go classes will be with you till the gate exam and after the gate exam. Okay, till the gate exam, also beyond the gate exam, we will be with you because we have alumni culture. Okay, when you top the gate exam, we will invite you to Jaipur for the felicitation. For 3 or 4 days you will enjoy in Jaipur. Okay, so all the best everyone and my best wishes to you. And please put a comment when I upload this video on the YouTube. Then please put a comment that 2026 will be my year of hard work. I will put my best effort. Put that comment today. Okay, when I put this orientation session on YouTube, then you put that comment, and after 1 year, when you crack the gate exam, then you reply to your own comment and you say that I did it. Okay, so let's put our best efforts. Let's stay energetic, motivated. Okay, एंड छोटी छोटी बातों के ऊपर डीमोटिवेट नहीं होना है कि अच्छा एक क्वेश्चन नहीं हुआ चलो हो जाता हूं डीमोटिवेट, चलो क्विज में मार्क्स कमाए, टेस्ट में मार्क्स कमाए, चलो हो जाता हूं डीमोटिवेट। ऐसा नहीं होना है। फेंक दो जो चलो डीमोटिवेट हो जाता हूं, इस चीज को फेंक दो। दिमाग रखो एकदम माइंडसेट वाला। ठीक है, लर्निंग माइंडसेट रखो पूरे साल के लिए। हर हर एक चीज, हर एक गलती, हर एक रॉन्ग क्वेश्चन, हर एक करेक्ट क्वेश्चन, सब कुछ आपके लिए एक लर्निंग अपॉर्चुनिटी होनी चाहिए। इट शुड बी अ it you should have a learning mindset. That's it. Okay, okay, thank you everyone. Thank you.